Welcome to the Idea Buzz podcast with me, your host, Pooja Nerurkar.
चीज बोलते हैं ना पूजा कि बोरिंग में ही पैसा है राइट ये बड़े बड़े
सब
बिजनेस
पैसा
में
बोरिंग में ही डालते हैं, but to be very honest, because the simple it is, the easier to understand, the easier it is to sell.
लाइक आपको भी पता नहीं होगा आपके घर पे आपकी मेड क्या क्लीनर्स यूज करती है.
Yeah.
while HUL also talks about premiumization, PNG also talks about premiumization.
Yeah.
उनका 80% सेल 10 रुपए सैशे से आ रहा है आज भी.
Yes.
You give it your 100% and then if it's not working out, then there is a fundamental problem.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम कुछ करोगे तो वो सक्सेसफुल होगा ही.
Right.
तुम पूरा एफर्ट डाल के नहीं हो रहा है तो फंडामेंटली कुछ रॉन्ग है, इन्वेस्टिगेट इट राइट, बट एटलीस्ट डू दैट 100%.
Yeah.
जब हमारा प्रोडक्ट रेडी था और हमको थोड़ा मार्केट वैलिडेशन मिला था, हमको बहुत बड़ी टर्म शीट मिली थी राइट, तकरीबन 6 करोड़ की टर्म शीट थी राइट. सब सही चल रहा था, पेपर वर्क सही चल रहा था, हमने ऑफर लेटर्स रोल आउट कर दिए थे क्योंकि साइनिंग पे आ गए थे right, and the next day everything is gone. So when we were doing the demonstration bit right where
Yeah.
we were showing the product and Karan is saying कि हल्दी हो या हो क्रेयॉन के मार्क एक स्वाइप में वाइप हो जाए, वो स्वाइप में मेरे हाथ धुज रहे थे कि what if for any reason ये नहीं साफ हुआ तो क्या करेंगे. My dad till today I'm definitely very proud right, a very proud parents, but till today he doesn't understand कि तू पाइप बेचते बेचते कंपनी को कैसे बेच के आया और इतने पैसे कैसे लेके आया.
So guys, listen up. Every decade there comes a startup that completely rewrites the way we use everyday products. आपने कभी आपके जो बेसिन के नीचे वाला ड्रॉअर है वो खोल के देखा है? उसमें you will see so many cleaning liquid detergent brands, right? So many bottles. They're so chemical heavy and they're so expensive. But Clevo, the brand that we're calling today, had one tiny simple insight. Why are we spending so much on transporting liquid when every home has water? And that's it. There you go. They created their product, which is cleaning concentrated solutions. And this, guys, is not just good packaging. I think it's good business. So I'm calling the founders of Clevo here today. Please welcome Mayank and Karan. Please come, please come.
Hi, Pooja.
We're so delighted to have you here.
So excited to do this.
The excitement and pleasure is all ours. We saw your pitch. It was one killer of a pitch, by the way. Congratulations
Thank you,
for
thank
being the second highest paid startup, funded startup in Idea Buzz. You're the
Yeah.
second highest, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. What does it feel like? पहले तो उससे चालू करते हैं. Like, did you ever expect to get this kind of funding? Because आपकी ask कुछ थी, and then you ended up getting what, 10 times, 7 times, 8 times, something?
Five, six
5 times. But still, like, amazing.
But I think, yeah, I mean, it took a lot of time for us to sink it. I mean, sink
Yeah.
in, right? जब वो स्टेज पे हुआ था तभी, I don't know if you've seen our expressions, but there are a lot of memes coming out of it. क्या हम 5 करोड़ या 10% कर सकते हैं?
या डन
Done?
डन.
Oh, wonderful.
तो 50 करोड़ का वैल्यूएशन, 5 करोड़ का इन्वेस्टमेंट. We were shocked and we were also, I mean, happy obviously, and well, we just went with the flow, and I think we realized it once we went back to the hotel, and जब हम बैठे फिर हमने सोचा कि and क्या हुआ है, कौन आया है कैप टेबल पे, right? I think it was surreal. I mean, बहुत मजा आया and it was a great experience, and I think, yeah, I mean, one very important thing that came out of the whole thing was validation on whatever we are doing,
100%,
right? Because
yeah.
when you're trying to do something different, there is always a pushback, and that's been there for a while. I mean, for every step that we took, there was someone saying ये तो नहीं चलेगा. Day one को तो हमको लगता था, हम ही बोलते थे ये नहीं चलेगा, right? So I think this is a national television validation. So and from Rishabh Mariwala, so I think. The moment he said कि मेरे घर पे अच्छा feedback आया, that was everything for us.
और उन्होंने पहले ही product use किया था. I think that was some months ago that he had used it.
It was a couple of years ago. I think 2024 में April 25 या 24 2024 में उन्होंने प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर किया।
तो मयंक और करण, पता है कि मेरी टीम भी आपको पहली मिली है, एक दो बार
अप्रैल 24 2024 में ऋषभ का ऑर्डर आया था हमारे वेबसाइट पे।
सही है।
हमने सब छोड़ के खुद से पैक किया था वो ऑर्डर।
सर घर साफ हुआ कि नहीं?
सब साफ हुआ, अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा फीडबैक भी आया घर से। बुरी बात है कि हमने इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया।
अमेजिंग अमेजिंग।
हमने पैक भी किया था उसको अच्छे से, हमने देखा था ऋषभ मारी वाला है।
Yeah,
राइट, एक
yeah.
आदत है हमारी, देखते हैं कौन ऑर्डर कर रहा है, एवरी डे वी जस्ट गो
Yeah.
थ्रू सी योर।
So, you know, we discussed so much about the highs and lows of entrepreneurship, right? When you're suddenly at a high and then you're at a low and you don't know what's happening. And this is an incredible thing that Ideabuzz does. I think validation, jo aapne kaha, is so incredibly important because at a time when you feel that nothing is going right, something so incredible happens where you end up feeling that sense of belief, you know, that what we were doing actually was worthy of doing. And that's, I think, it's more valuable than funding, I feel, because it's just a long-term impetus.
No, I think completely agreed, especially for a young brand, right? And for a consumer brand where in a category where the leader of the category are the household names. आप फ्लोर क्लीनर को फ्लोर क्लीनर नहीं बोलते हो, राइट? आप बाथरूम क्लीनर को बाथरूम क्लीनर नहीं बोलते हो,
Yeah.
आप उसको ब्रांड के नेम से बुलाते हो,
Yeah.
राइट? और जब तुम उस कैटेगरी में एंटर करते हो और तुम बोलते हो कि हम इनसे बेटर है इन टर्म्स ऑफ सेफ्टी, हम इनसे बेटर है इन टर्म्स ऑफ सस्टेनेबिलिटी, एंड हम
Yeah.
इक्वली इफेक्टिव है
हाँ.
इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्लीनिंग, राइट? सब बोलते हैं क्या बकवास कर रहे हो,
Yeah.
correct? And you don't have those big billboards, you don't have the biggest actors जो आके आपको बोल रहे हैं, just two
Yeah.
guys randomly आके आपको बोल रहे हैं कि ये बहुत अच्छा है,
Yeah.
right? And think तो वो जर्नी में जब ऐसे सडन इनपुट्स आते हैं या फिर सडन एपिसोड्स आते हैं जहाँ पे इट्स कम्प्लीटली अनएक्सपेक्टेड, एंड आई थिंक जब हमको आइडियाबाज से कॉल भी आया था तो हमको नहीं पता था ये क्या है, और मतलब इट वाज अ
Yeah.
वेरी इट्स फर्स्ट सीजन, राइट?
Yeah.
बट हमको ये पता था यार जी टीवी पे है, सब कुछ है, हमारी टारगेट ऑडियंस है भारत और ये उन तक जाएगा, राइट? आई थिंक एंड रेस्ट इज हिस्ट्री, आई मीन।
Yeah. So Karan, I want to ask you, what did it feel like to not just get one Titan, but three Titans backing you?
Like Mayank said कि देखो हम इतना एक्सपेक्ट, लाइक इफ यू सी आवर एक्सप्रेशंस आल्सो, इट्स ब्लैंक, कि हमें कुछ पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि क्या हो रहा है, राइट? कि अच्छा डील मिल गई, ओके, हैंडशेक करके आगे अभी क्या करना, लाइक देयर इज नो आउटबर्स्ट या इमोशन, कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था, बिकॉज वी जेन्युइनली जस्ट वांटेड 75 lakhs, वही हमारा पिच भी था, and then Rishabh coming in and saying that okay, I'll put in 4.5, and with the likes of Priyanka Salod and Pawan Jaggi sir, so it adds a great value to our you know journey, what we are trying to build and what we want to you know deliver to you know actual Bharat, tier 2s, tier 3 cities mein.
Yeah, one incredible thing that I noted from your pitch, and I was speaking to Mayank about it a little while ago, was the power of silence. So while there was this haggling that was going on कि अच्छा नहीं previous valuation पे करते हैं, ये valuation थोड़ा high है, and then suddenly Rishabh was like, okay, I will give you 4.5 crores at a 10% stake. That was what was earlier decided. And I think you guys were all perplexed, मतलब अभी क्या बोले? And in that silence that you took, like a few moments that you took to respond, उतने में Priyanka was like, okay, I will also invest. Pawan Jaggi was like, I will also invest. And I think that, and you know, just focusing on the power of silence, because you did not comment, it so happened that the entire round went at your earlier valuation. तो वो भी आपको negotiate नहीं करना पड़ा, that little bit of 19-20 that was happening at a 45 crore valuation against a 50 crore valuation, right? That was incredible. I mean, and then to know कि that was only because you were confused and perplexed, but it worked in your favor, right?
Yeah, I
Super.
think, मतलब I mean, and also to the fact that you know we've seen so many highs and lows, especially in our fundraise journey, right? I mean, the business has always been very solid.
Yes.
We have कभी complain नहीं है कि धंधा सही नहीं चल रहा है, right? We've always seen a lot of love. मतलब कभी गलत गया है कुछ तो भी, you know, whenever we've spoken to a customer, तो वो लोग ने हमेशा समझा है कि ठीक है, because हमने बहुत genuinely approach किया है. Whenever there's been a goof up, हम phone करके बोलते हैं ये हुआ है, we'll fix it, right? तो fundraising के journey में बहुत ups and lows हुए हैं. करेक्ट एंड मतलब एट टाइम्स इट्स जस्ट जब ऐसे कोई इतना ज़्यादा वैलिडेट कर देता है तुमको ऑन नेशनल टेलीविजन राइट वी वर जस्ट थिंकिंग यार मजाक तो नहीं कर रहे हैं मतलब इज इट फॉर रियल इज इट मतलब बिकॉज लाइव तो हो रहा है सब कुछ बट ही सो कैजुअली जस्ट सेड राइट 4.5% आई मीन 10% के लिए 4.5 करोड़ एंड कौन करता है
या तो ऑन दिस नोट आप थोड़े आपके जर्नी के बारे में बताइए दिस फंड रेजिंग जर्नी एंड देन वी मूव ऑन टू योर पर्सनल स्टोरीज एज वेल बिकॉज दैट्स सो इंटरेस्टिंग
So, I think fundraising as an exercise, right, or as an activity is something that I have learned कि it's an ongoing activity. It is a part of my daily job. So हम दोनों के बीच में, if you see, I am the one who looks after the fundraising bit very actively.
Okay.
So that is my department. तो मेरे को एक चीज़ समझ आई है कि it is a constant sort of an activity that you need to do. Right, and I have also realized कि you know initial days में it is very intimidating, correct? For example, on our day one or I would say on our 6th month of business when we had a जब हमारा प्रोडक्ट रेडी था और हमको थोड़ा मार्केट वैलिडेशन रहा था हमको बहुत बड़ी टर्म शीट मिली थी राइट तकरीबन 6 करोड़ की टर्म शीट थी राइट सब सही चल रहा था पेपर वर्क सही चल रहा था हमने ऑफर लेटर्स रोल आउट कर दिए थे क्योंकि साइनिंग पे आ गए थे राइट एंड द नेक्स्ट डे एवरीथिंग इज गॉन
Oh God.
Right.
Must have been so heartbreaking.
Yeah, I mean, we were in tears, obviously. Correct. I mean, 4 महीने लगे थे हमको 4 से 6 महीने लगे थे just to find the right sort of people. फिर 2-3 महीने लगे थे and all the paperwork and then everything for nothing. Right. Whatever the reasons were. But एक होता है ना कि अच्छा हुआ वो टाइम पे वो राउंड नहीं हुआ. Because
जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है.
जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. I think जो कर रहे हो दिल से करो एक पर्पस लेके करो रेस्ट एवरीथिंग आई थिंक इट फॉल्स इन योर प्लेस राइट इफ यू डूइंग इट यू गिव इट योर 100% एंड देन इफ इट्स नॉट वर्किंग आउट देन देयर इज अ फंडामेंटल प्रॉब्लम ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम कुछ करोगे तो वो सक्सेसफुल होगा ही तुम पूरा एफर्ट डाल के नहीं हो रहा है तो फंडामेंटली कुछ रॉन्ग है इन्वेस्टिगेट इट राइट बट एटलीस्ट डू दैट 100% करेक्ट तो वी रियलाइज कि देन वी रेज्ड अ स्मॉलर राउंड राइट फिर हमने हमारी फैक्ट्री चालू करी फिर हमने नासिक में हमने एक फैक्ट्री चालू करी राइट फिर वहाँ से हमने बिजनेस स्केल करना चालू किया ओनली टू रियलाइज कि हमने वी रेज टू लिटिल राइट फॉर द बिजनेस आई मीन बिजनेस वाज गुड बट हमने इनफ कैपिटल रेज नहीं किया था कि हम फैक्ट्री भी सेटअप करें मार्केटिंग भी करें हायरिंग भी करें और वो भी करें राइट तो स्केल आया तो वी बिकेम टू स्मॉल फॉर एंजल्स आई मीन टू बिग फॉर एंजल्स और एक वीसी के लिए बहुत छोटे हो गए दैट इज व्हेन वन ऑफ आवर एग्जिस्टिंग इन्वेस्टर्स वेरी ट्रिकी सिचुएशन आप ही सोचो ना मतलब सब बोल रहे बिजनेस अच्छा है बट अब ये नंबर तक पहुंचो तो हम देखेंगे द प्रॉब्लम इज वो नंबर तक पहुंचना है करेक्ट
हाँ इट्स अ विशियस साइकिल राइट वो नंबर तक पहुंचने के लिए पैसा चाहिए पैसा आने के लिए वो नंबर तक पहुंचना पड़ेगा
जो पैसा
हाउ डू यू जस्टिफाई
आई डोंट वांट टू एक्सेलरेट एंड रीच देयर राइट क्योंकि वी डोंट वांट टू बी अ बिजनेस जो सिर्फ पैसा डालते हो तो बढ़ता है तो हमने क्या करना चालू किया राइट इन दोस 3 months हमने काफ़ी चीज़ें ऑप्टिमाइज करी तो हमारे लॉसेस हमने 75% से ट्रिम किए इन 3 months
Wow.
While our business grew 15%.
तो ये कैसे हुआ? How did you manage that?
हम एकदम धंधे वाले लोग हैं हाँ. तो हमको पता है एक एक रुपया कहाँ जा रहा है एंड वी ऑल्सो न्यू कि इसको बंद करने से ये ठीक हो जाएगा तो द होल आइडिया ऑफ रेजिंग फंड्स राइट आई थिंक देयर इज अ नोशन कि आप फंड रेज करते हो तो क्या बोलते हैं कि आप पैसा बर्न ही करने वाले हो राइट यू रेज टू रेज मोर फंड्स राइट दैट इज नॉट व्हाट वी वर बिल्डिंग फॉर वी रेज फंड्स टू एक्सपेरिमेंट क्योंकि ये जो हम कर रहे हैं किसी ने कभी किया नहीं है तो हमको सब चीज़ें सीखना पड़ता है तो हमने सब एक्सपेरिमेंट्स बंद कर दिए राइट हमारा बॉटम लाइन हेल्दी होने लगा अभी इन्वेस्टर्स को अट्रैक्टिव लगने लगा ऑटोमेटिकली यार ये ग्रो भी हो रहा है बर्न भी कम हो रहा है दैट इज व्हेन आई थिंक वन ऑफ आवर एग्जिस्टिंग इन्वेस्टर्स टुक अ बेट राइट ही टुक अ बेट वेयर ही पुट मनी फ्रॉम हिज न्यू फंड where he is not allowed to lead fundamentally as a fund and they cannot also give you a convertible note. He did both of that.
Wow.
Because he believed in what we are doing. And from there तो I think pitch पे numbers दिखे गए. Correct. And yeah, I mean we also realized right कि अगर हमने day 1 पे वो 6 करोड़ रुपए लिए होते अगर वो आए होते now tying it back to that तो ये फ्रुगैलिटी नहीं आती बिजनेस में ये यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स नहीं आते क्योंकि डे 1 को हम लोग सोचते कि सब ग्रांड करना है विच वाज नॉट नीडेड जरूरत ही नहीं थी राइट अभी भी नहीं है तो आई थिंक that kept us grounded, and it's a blessing in disguise. And when you look at it now, right, अगर वो टाइम वो पैसे लिए होते तो शायद आज ऋषभ मारीवाला नहीं आते, आज वैल्यूएशंस अलग होते, करेक्ट, बहुत चीज़ें अलग होती हैं. एंड आई थिंक वी आर वेरी वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि we stuck to our basics and did the right way. Yeah, fundraising it can get scary. I mean, who was watching this? Right, but I think it's not easy. यार, अगर कोई भी बोलता है कि it's easy and you get to choose people, you don't. I think in the initial days you just
people choose you.
People choose you, and it's on you on how you make the most of it.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I mean, how
All you have to do is just show up, be consistent.
Yeah.
And just keep trying. It
One
will
of the
happen.
things we did consistently was we showed up.
Yeah.
So I want to talk a little bit about your numbers, because not only you reduced your cost by 75% in 3 months, and these are incredible CV points, by the way, like the people will go mad listening to this, seriously. But you also increased your revenue with 2-fold, 3-fold. मतलब आप 35 lakhs से you are now at a 1.2. 25 lakhs say you're now at a 1.2 crore run rate, right? So tell us a little bit about that journey. See, a lot of people might have missed that part, or they want to have it reinforced from the pitch, right? So just tell us a little bit about the month-on-month growth that you've had, and then we get to how actually did you manage to achieve that growth, because it's very unheard of, so fast.
I think just to पहले तो जो numbers हैं, right? Feb 2025 में we were at about 25-26 lakhs.
Okay, and you started when?
हमने ये चालू किया था समझो जनवरी 2020, Feb 2023-24 में.
Okay,
right?
okay.
That is when.
So starting में you were spending a lot of time in researching.
हाँ, तो वैसे तो 2022 से हम इस पे काम कर रहे हैं.
Okay,
right?
okay.
We took 2-3 years just to get the product right. वो अलग ही एक स्टोरी है, correct?
Fair enough.
क्योंकि किसी ने ये किया नहीं है, कभी हुआ नहीं है, तो we were very clear कि पहले product तो सही हो, everything, right? तो वो एक अलग जर्नी था. तो वो हुआ, and then जब confidence आया, जब हमने fund raise किया, तो we started accelerating and we started going into the market. तो Feb 2020, that like I said, right? Meaningful business started in Feb 2025. उसके पहले factory सब हमने set किया. राइट 20-25 लाख का रेवेन्यू था तब. फिर जब हमने सेकेंड राउंड ऑफ फंड लिया, द 7 करोड़ राउंड, राइट, एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द प्रीवियस राउंड, तब हम वी एग्जैक्टली न्यू वेयर द प्रॉब्लम वाज.
अच्छा.
राइट, हमारे पास ऑर्डर्स थे, हमारे पास सप्लाई करने के लिए कैपेसिटी नहीं थी.
इन्वेंट्री
मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इशू एंड मतलब स्पेस एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. स्पेस तो भी मिल जाए, अभी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए तो थोड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट करना पड़ेगा. अभी पैसे थे, वो इन्वेस्ट कर देंगे तो आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे? पैसा मशीन में डाल देंगे तो माल कहाँ से आएगा? वर्किंग कैपिटल, राइट? एंड ऑल्सो ये प्रॉब्लम आई क्योंकि वी आर द फर्स्ट वंस टू डू दिस. टिल डेट वी आर द फर्स्ट वंस टू डू दिस. हमको अभी भी बहुत बड़े बड़े ब्रांड से कॉल आते हैं, क्योंकि पैकेजिंग के पीछे मेरा ही नंबर था फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम, राइट? मेरे को कॉल आते बहुत बड़े ब्रांड से कि हमको ये मैन्युफैक्चर करना है, एंड हम तो बोल देते ये तो काम ही नहीं कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहे, राइट? तो आई थिंक द मोमेंट वी रेज दैट राउंड एंड वी मूव टू अ लार्जर फैक्ट्री, थिंग्स चेंज, राइट? वो 25 लाख 35 लाख हो गया, फिर 50 लाख हो गया. फेब से अप्रैल के बीच में, जून जुलाई में 60-65 पे थे. आइडिया पास पे आया तब 75 पे थे, राइट? आई थिंक फेब, इफ आई टेक अ 12-month window, फेब मार्च में वी शुड एंड एट अबाउट 2 crore plus. So that's
wow, monthly revenue. That's amazing.
So I mean 2 crores looks like a number.
25 लाख से 2 करोड़ in 1 year.
Yeah, I mean and we've been doing this very frugally, correct? ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बहुत पैसा बर्न कर रहे हैं, हमारा बर्न रेट मतलब सिमिलर है.
8 times jump in just 1 year.
Yeah, I mean, so there is again, it looks like a 1-year journey, but it's a accumulation of 3 years journey, like I told you, right? हमने बहुत बार लॉन्च करके बंद किया है, बहुत बार लॉन्च करके बंद किया है. हमने कस्टमर से बात करी, हम उनके घर गए.
अच्छा, so you had returns also?
नहीं
बंद किया मतलब जब हमको पता चला है कि
मतलब टू फाइंड द परफेक्ट प्रोडक्ट में जो फ्लॉज थे इनिशियल स्टेजेस पे, सो वी वर्कड ऑन इट. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल वी डिडंट हैव कलर इन अ प्रोडक्ट, तो लोगों को लगता था कि हम आइडेंटिफाई कैसे करेंगे. आपके 3-4 प्रोडक्ट है तो हाउ लाइक एडिंग फिर सो वी एडेड कलर
Oh,
फ्रेग्रेंस
that way.
को बढ़ा दिया कोई बोला था कि फ्लोर क्लीनर मॉप करते तो द ओनली वे यू नो दैट योर फ्लोर्स आर मॉप्ड इज बिकॉज ऑफ द फ्रेग्रेंस तो फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं आएगा तो पता नहीं चलेगा लोगों सो वी वर्कड ऑन दैट एंड फ्यू मोर थिंग्स बेसिकली कस्टमर से बात करके लिटरली उनके घर जाके खुद प्रोडक्ट यूज़ करके पता चला था कि हाउ ईजी कैन वी मेक इट फॉर देम
Right.
तो कोई बोला था कि पाउडर पोर करने के लिए कुछ कर सकते हो क्या सो वी लिटरली इन्वेंटेड अ फनल व्हिच एवरीवन गेट्स इट विद आवर ऑल आवर प्रोडक्ट्स बेसिकली तो वी इन्वेंटेड दैट फनल कि आप ऐसा पेपर फोल्डेबल फनल है बनाओ और देन यू पोर इट सो स्पिल भी नहीं होगा इजीली बॉटल के अंदर भी जा सकता
We call it the 1 rupee innovation
या
internally.
I think that's the beauty of your product, right? Because the idea also that you had about creating concentrated powders was a very simple idea, and that changed the entire game in the cleaning industry. Because you're right, we're spending so much on transporting water. So pani, it doesn't make any sense now when I think about it. But I'm so perplexed thinking that nobody thought about this earlier.
So we were finding reasons to not do this.
You have to, because you have to play the devil's advocate.
We were finding so many.
Otherwise, you're biased.
कि करण कुछ तो
Yeah.
ढूंढ यार कि ये नहीं करना है क्योंकि
हाँ.
इतना मतलब कॉस्टिंग ऐसे आ रहा है वी आर एबल टू सेल इट एट दिस प्राइस
Yeah.
कुछ तो गलत होगा कोई नहीं कर रहा है कोई नहीं कर रहा है
Yeah.
एंड वी ओनली रियलाइज कि कोई नहीं कर रहा है क्योंकि किसी ने इतना सोचा ही नहीं
That is a good founder, textbook good founder 101 methodology.
एक चीज बोलते हैं ना पूजा कि बोरिंग में ही पैसा है राइट
हाँ,
ये
हाँ.
बड़े बड़े
सब पैसा बोरिंग में ही डालते
Correct,
हैं, but to be
correct.
very honest, because the simple it is, the easier to understand, the easier it is to sell.
नहीं बोरिंग में पैसा है मतलब when जैसे कि यार इसमें इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं है क्योंकि if
मतलब
you
ये
see-
होल कैटेगरी इटसेल्फ आप देखोगे तो काफी बोरिंग कैटेगरी लाइक आपको भी पता नहीं होगा आपके घर पे आपकी मेड क्या क्लीनर्स यूज करती है
Yeah.
बिकॉज आधे टाइम तो क्लीनर्स सिंक के अंदर होते नीचे होते दिखते ही नहीं
हाँ, हाँ.
है एंड बच्चों को भी बोला जाता है कि मत छुओ उसको क्योंकि इट्स हार्मफुल डेंजरस
Yeah.
तो हम भी सोच रहे कि इसको इंटरेस्टिंग कैसे बनाया जाए
हाँ.
ये सोचा बनाना ही नहीं है, सस्ता
हाँ,
बनाना है
सस्ता बनाना है इसके
बना दिया सस्ता बना दिया सस्टेनेबल बना दिया
Yeah.
एंड आई थिंक नाउ द प्रोडक्ट एंड द स्टोरी इटसेल्फ अभी
Yeah.
लोग हमको बोलते हैं यार थैंक यू इतनी बॉटल से हम परेशान हो गए थे बुरा भी लगता था बट वो क्या है ना वो फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड के लिए बुरा लगता है राइट आई
Yeah,
मीन बिकॉज
yeah.
इट्स नॉट हार्मिंग यू पर्सनली इन एनी वे
Yeah.
दैट बॉटल तो वो टाइम बुरा लगता है फिर ठीक हो जाता है तो हमने सोचा यार उसको हम फील गुड बना देंगे अगर
Yeah.
तो ऑटोमेटिकली बहुत सारी चीजें
Right.
solve हो जाएंगी।
And yeah, this space is exactly this. It is cost sensitive. So when I was, managing strategy as part of CEO's office, we were talking about it. That time there were two distinct tasks that I was looking at, right? One was launching a skincare product, and the other one was looking at the margins of a cleaning brand. So the segments are so different because when it comes to skincare or healthcare, people are ready to spend more even for a similar product because of the perception कि ये quality में अच्छा रहेगा. But when it comes to skincare, nobody cares about the quality as much as they care about the cost. So you have to have that cost advantage, and that's the only sustainable advantage, which is a very long-term sustainable advantage in this space, and that's something that you've cracked.
हाँ मतलब आप वाइल सब मतलब हमको कभी प्रीमियमाइजेशन समझ में नहीं आया है टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट राइट नहीं समझ आया है मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि समझ नहीं आया बट एक होता है ना मतलब प्रीमियमाइजेशन बट फॉर भारत कैसे होगा मतलब देर आर सो मेनी छोटी छोटी चीज़ें राइट आई मीन while HUL also talks about premiumization, P&G also talks about premiumization.
Yeah.
उनका 80% सेल 10 रुपए सैशे से आ रहा है आज भी
Yes.
across
Yes.
categories.
Yes.
Right? The penetration that is happening is in micro percentage.
Yeah.
कि ये परसेंट से ये परसेंट ग्रोथ हुई है ये परसेंट ग्रोथ हुई है बट हमको ये समझना है कि मोर देन अ प्रीमियमाइजेशन और एनीथिंग वी आर अ वैल्यू कॉन्शियस कंट्री एंड व्हाट वी हैव डन इज हमने इतनी ज़्यादा वैल्यू दे दी है ये प्राइस पॉइंट्स पे कि जब कोई नहीं खरीद रहा है ना अभी हमारे को अबैंडन कार्ड्स आता है ना तो हम फोन करके पूछते प्रॉब्लम क्या होगा
हाँ.
करेक्ट
Yeah.
कि क्लीन करता है नहीं करेगा तो हम वैसा वापस ले लेंगे पैसा
Right.
वापस कर देंगे नो प्रॉब्लम क्लीन करता है सस्ता है सस्टेनेबल है आपके बच्चों के लिए पेट्स के लिए
Non-toxic.
नॉन टॉक्सिक है सेफ है तो व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम
So what do they say?
nothing. They say हमने मतलब नहीं खरीदना है. They go to marketplace and buy. Our conversion rates are very high, by the way. Right? Our conversion rates are very high for the same reason. Correct. And yeah, I mean, while premiumization is great for a category like luggage, right? जहाँ पे मतलब आप दिखाते हो लोगों को. For a category like I would say jewelry, clothing, right? Skin care, जहाँ पे you care. But एक जो cleaner है जो आप आपके सिंक के नीचे रखते हो, वहाँ पे आप शायद डर के मारे एक बार एक्स्ट्रा पैसा दे दोगे कि यार नहीं यार ये इतना दिखा रहा है कि कलर से ये होता है वो होता है, राइट? कुछ नहीं होता है. किसी को विम से कैंसर नहीं होता, राइट? एंड आप एक बार डर के खरीद लोगे, बट आप जब देखोगे कि आपके हेल्प यूज कर रहे हैं एंड इट इज जस्ट अ होल इन योर पॉकेट, यू विल बी लाइक ठीक है ना, वही ले लेते हैं वापस, वो सस्ता था. बट इफ यू आर एबल टू गिव दैट कंसिस्टेंटली एट अ प्राइस where it is not discounted, it is the price as usual. So kya we are changing the habit slowly. Right? And it's habit. Correct. The reason why people are able to relate to our concept so easily is because we tell कि आप hair dye use करते हो, आप घर पे टैंग पीते हो, बॉर्नविटा पीते हो, आप क्या करते हो? पाउडर को लिक्विड में डालते हो, वही करना है, कुछ अलग नहीं करना है.
Yeah. So since we're already on the revenue and the sales, where we were talking about it, तो आपका अभी जो split है, that's coming primarily from Amazon, from your own website, which is your Shopify. Then you also have some percentage coming from Flipkart and the other online. So it's mainly online. Right?
Correct.
When it comes to this segment, which is the cleaning segment, we see a majority of items getting sold in modern trade when it comes to tier 1, tier 2 cities, and then in general trade when it comes to 3, 4 cities, right? And that's the Bharat that we're talking about, that you're solving for. So what is your future roadmap of getting into general trade and modern trade? Because the challenges there is that modern trade will take as much money out of you as possible because the commissions are crazy over there. And general trade requires a lot of capital expenditure. You need feet on the ground, you need those distribution partnerships, you need to build network, and that takes a lot of time, you know, arguably years. So what is your future roadmap in terms of boosting your sales? Do you plan to stick to online, or you want to go offline as well?
I think at least for the next I would say the next few years, right? We would be online, right? And there are multiple reasons to it. One that you know कि online भी market इतना बड़ा है, वो तो ले ले, right? Second, there are a very few, very interesting categories that we haven't explored yet. Right? We're doing something very innovative in your bathroom category, right? That's not been seen in India at least. Right, we're doing something very interesting in laundry, then there is fragrance, right? So we want to build that suit.
Understood.
Correct? और अभी क्विक कॉमर्स एक्सप्लोर नहीं किया है हमने, वो करना है. आई थिंक ये ऑनलाइन में ही इतना अच्छा ब्रांड बन सकता है एंड प्रॉफिटेबली बन सकता है बिकॉज ऑफ आवर फॉर्म फैक्टर वेयर वी आर नॉट बर्निंग ऑन शिपिंग, वी आर नॉट बर्निंग ऑन स्टोरेज, राइट? बिकॉज ऑफ द फॉर्म फैक्टर्स दैट वी बीन एबल टू ऑप्टिमाइज. राइट, हमने जब ये बिजनेस बनाया था हमने सस्टेनेबिलिटी के लिए नहीं बनाया था. टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, हमने कैटेगरी का ऑपरेशनल प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने के लिए बनाया था कि दिस इज नॉट एन ऑनलाइन फ्रेंडली कैटेगरी. राइट,
इट्स अ चेरी ऑन द केक दैट इट इज सस्टेनेबल.
लोग 700 रुपए में बेच रहे हैं क्योंकि शिपिंग का 250-300 रुपए लग रहे हैं, बट जब वो मेरे को नहीं लग रहा है तो मेरे 250 रुपए कम हो गए.
और वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है,
बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. करेक्ट, बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. तो आई थिंक बहुत बड़ा ब्रांड बन सकता है ऑनलाइन. And like you said, right, offline is a very different challenge and a
very different ball game,
right? And I think thanks to Ideabuzz again, we have the right sort of partners, right, जो इसको उनके कोकोनट ऑयल के बाजू में भी लटका सकते हैं चाहे तो, right? और जो मैंने ऋषभ को बोला भी है कि किसी ने हमको पूछा था कि what is your end goal? Where do you want to see this? कि you know, I'm like, मैं और करण बहुत खुश जब होंगे satisfied जब कोई स्टोर में ये एक सैशे लटक रहा है नेक्स्ट टू अ चिक शैम्पू, नेक्स्ट टू अ पैराशूट ऑयल, या फिर कोई ऑयल के बाजू में कोई टियर 2 के शहर में लटक रहा है और लोग जाके बोल रहे हैं कि अरे वो पैकेट वाला फिनाइल दो ना. राइट, बिकॉज सी अगेन एज अ ब्रांड नेम इट इज गोइंग टू टेक टाइम, राइट? इट्स आई मीन वेरी unrealistic to expect people going and asking for Clevo in the store. But I can expect the help to go and say वो पैकेट वाला green color का dishwash देना जरूर, right? So I think that is where we want to, that is where we will think कि यार कुछ तो बनाया है, right? And because if you are able to reach to that store in that tier 2 tier 3 city, आपका distribution strong है इसलिए आप पहुँचे, मतलब आपका business बड़ा हो चुका है,
correct,
right? And जब ऑफलाइन जाना होगा, आई थिंक वी हैव द राइट पार्टनर्स. वी कुडंट हैव आस्क्ड फॉर बेटर इन दिस कंट्री, राइट? द मारीवालास एंड शार्प वेंचर्स. तो आई थिंक दैट्स अ वेरी लॉन्ग जर्नी. बट वन थिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट डूइंग इज, यू नो, हमको F&B से बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है.
अच्छा. So you're gonna do those partnerships
B2B,
with
F&B,
B2B,
हाँ, मतलब
F&B
आप सोचो,
players.
if I hope a few school principals are watching this and a few restaurant owners and hotel chains are watching this, right? This is the pitch.
Your elevator pitch. Lay it on us.
Yeah, right. इन सब का schools और corporate parks का ना एक sustainability score होता है, ठीक है, जहाँ पे they are also measured on how sustainable the school is in terms of the consumption and electricity and everything, green goals,
Right.
and plastic is a very big problem for them, right, in terms of different things that they use. मैंने एक स्कूल, I mean I've not given it to any school, we've not actually sold to any school yet, but when I just pitched this idea to somebody who has a consortium of schools, right, who supplies to them, वो बोलता है कि मैम they went mad, they want to meet you guys, right? Because what is happening is उनका sustainability score by 80% in that category we are able to solve for as a brand, just one product, because they buy those bulky plastic bottles in tons.
Oh, now I get it. Okay,
Right?
okay. I thought it was playing on the non-toxic
So that is
angle.
that is an added cherry, but the bigger plastic problem is that they are buying these big cans, right, which is adding a lot to their carbon footprint,
Right.
and we are doing it half the cost.
Wow.
राइट अगर आप किसी के क्लीनर का पैसा बचा रहे हो जो टन्स में खरीदता है, करेक्ट, और उनको सस्टेनेबिलिटी स्कोर कार्ड इतना हाई कर रहे हो, तो देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नो रीजन टू नॉट डू दैट. वी आर जस्ट बिल्डिंग द राइट SKUs फॉर देम as we speak, right? But that is a very very big market, and we manufacture, so we can do all of that, right? तो ये एक केस स्टडी हम बनाना चाहते हैं, करेक्ट, मतलब केस स्टडी नहीं, ये एक बहुत बड़ा रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम बनाना चाहते हैं, राइट? एक और है F&B. वी हैव गिवन इट टू अ कपल ऑफ रेस्टोरेंट्स, राइट? वो लोग ने बोला कि मतलब भाई, आई मीन आई नो हिम पर्सनली आल्सो, राइट? तो कि हम कॉस्टिक सोडा यूज़ कर रहे थे, राइट, वी यूजिंग सर्टेन एसिड्स जो हमारा चिमनी साफ करने के लिए, और बहुत इट्स वेरी वेरी करोसिव, बट दैट इज़ अ हार्श रियलिटी इन अ किचन. वहाँ तो नोबडी केयर्स, you know, the most of the kitchens में खाना भी कैसे बनता है हमको पता है, right? So cleaning agents is the last thing, and they switched completely. They said, यार, you are priced same or better, right? My kitchen is very happy, right? We are solving for a problem and it is actually cleaning. कि I don't know हम क्यों ये गंदे chemicals use कर रहे हैं करके. So that has become a very very strong case study for us. राइट, अभी हम उनके साथ कंटेंट बना रहे हैं, हम उनके किचन में जाने वाले और एक्चुअली दिखाने वाले कि क्या साफ हो रहा है, राइट? वो लोग ऑयल यूज करते हैं डिश क्लीनिंग के लिए, हम उनको जेल दे रहे हैं नॉन टॉक्सिक. दे आर सो हैप्पी कि चाले, वी आर गोइंग टू एक्चुअली शो कि उनके हाथ पे चाले हो रहे हैं डिश साफ कर करके, राइट? एंड आई थिंक दीज आर बिगर प्रॉब्लम्स दैट वी आर सॉल्विंग, करेक्ट, व्हाइल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज वेरी मैसिव हियर, राइट? द एंड यूज़र के जो प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहे हैं, हम घर में जा रहे हैं, हम मेड से बात कर रहे हैं, हमको पता चल रहा है कि उनको कितनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, स्पेशली डिश वॉशिंग में, करेक्ट? दूसरा सब ठीक है, मतलब फ्लोर एक्सेट्रा में इतना ज़्यादा इंटरेक्शन नहीं होता है, डिश वॉशिंग में बहुत इंटरेक्शन होता है. हमारा डिश वॉश से मॉइस्चराइज होता है, सो वी यूज़ एन एजेंट विच हेल्प्स मॉइस्चराइज योर स्किन. सो आफ्टर यू वॉश योर डिश, आपको लगेगा आपने हैंड वॉश किया है कोई सोप के साथ.
That's the goal. For all women, I think. Maybe for men also now.
I mean, even
Feminists.
talking about pet owners, they are also very happy with using our products, because हमारे जो products हैं, they are basically pet friendly.
Yeah,
So floor के साथ सबसे ज़्यादा interaction उनका ही होता है.
Yeah.
Because I had a pet and he was suffering from this allergy, and this just happened right before when we were literally talking.
Yeah.
Right, तब जब हमने चालू किया था कि ये करना है करके.
Yeah.
एंड डॉक्टर क्लियरली टोल्ड अस कि आपके घर में वो जो ब्रांड है, उन्होंने सीधा वो ब्रांड का नाम लिया, बोला डोंट यूज दिस, क्लियर इंस्ट्रक्शन. एंड देन आई सेड व्हाट डू आई यूज.
Yeah.
ही गेव मी समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, कि एक दो बार मम्मी ले भी ली, देन उसके बाद द होल थिंग वाज लाइक नहीं, पानी से तो हम फ्लोर धो नहीं सकते और वो बहुत महंगा है ऑन अ डे टू डे बेसिस, राइट?
Oh, so this is a real problem.
It is. So that's the time when we were experimenting with our product also. So I used it at my home, and believe me or not, उसके वो जो rashes होते थे वो काफ़ी कम हो गए.
Wow.
हाँ, काफ़ी
And the
कम हो
pet
गए.
industry is huge now.
Yeah.
In I think it's about, I don't know the exact number, but like about 50 billion types.
We
dollars.
I am
recently
not sure of the size, but I
Yeah.
mean like Super Tails and Hafta doing
Yeah,
a great
yeah,
job. I
yeah.
mean, मतलब
Yeah.
हम उनके
So
पास
that's
भी जाने
another
वाले हैं.
partnership idea
Yeah,
that
we
you can
recently had
have
a
it in pet stores.
very famous vet hospital in Mumbai order close to 100 liters of floor cleaner.
Can you imagine someone ordered
100
liters of floor
from
cleaner?
our website.
And the best part, it went in a small box.
Yeah.
It's the best.
When we called them, he said, "See, I have 4-story pet hospital, and I've used your product, and I really like the smell, and it cleans also because रोज का पेट का आना जाना, you know, they pee on the floor and
Yeah.
everything, and he's saying the pets are also very comfortable. Like
Yeah.
he's not faced any issues कि rashes हो रहे हैं, कि
Yeah.
बास आ रही है,
Yeah.
and all that. So that was very encouraging for us to even explore these, businesses.
Yeah, this is
B2B
phenomenal.
businesses.
So
Yeah.
to sum it up, in the next few years, you're looking at going deeper online with
Yeah.
quick commerce. Then you're looking at expanding your product range.
Yeah.
And the third thing, you're looking at these strategic partnerships and alliances,
partnerships,
B2B
yes.
markets, right? I think that's brilliant. No, well thought of. मुझे ना इस पे थोड़ा product के ऊपर बात करनी है because we touched upon the expansion into different product categories. So I want to know about the journey of your research because you said it's a completely different story altogether. So we want to talk about that, and also what really excites me is that realization, right, that your consumers are not necessarily your buyers. And then that when did that eureka moment come कि अच्छा ये अलग है, or was it always there from beginning, and then how do you change your sales strategy? So we first talk about product journey and then we talk about this.
So Clevo stands for Cleaning Evolution. So if you see,
I tried very hard to
yeah,
please have guys,
yeah,
please.
please.
Yeah, go on.
So it stands for Cleaning Evolution. तो ये कैटेगरी में evolution लाना था हमें. Like communication में देखेंगे तो your grandparents used to write letters, then landlines आ गए, then mobile phones, now you're on WhatsApp. Same way in cleaners, your grandparents used to use phenyl, then your mom came and they started using this structured formulas, various brands आ गए, and now we want to move to the next step. तो हमें ये पता चला कि वो है हो ही नहीं रहा, इधर प्रीमियमाइजेशन हो रहा है प्रोडक्ट का, महंगे में बेच रहे हैं या सस्ते में बेच रहे हैं, एकदम कलर रंग बिरंगे पानी आते हैं ना बेसिकली. So we got inspired by couple of brands in the West, but वो exactly replicate इंडिया में करने के लिए it is not possible because वहाँ conditions different है, लोग different है, अपने लोग different है.
Yeah.
So we did a lot of experiments. We tried with tablets, we tried different forms कि कर सकते हैं, and then finally we arrived at this powdered form where it became easy कि इंडिया में पेशेंस लेवल कम है, हमारा प्रोडक्ट मिलते ही घुल जाता है. इट टेक्स लिटरली 2 to 5 minutes max for it to dissolve. तो 5 मिनट में आपका क्लीनर रेडी है, rather than the tablet कि आप डालो और बस रहते रहो कि अब कब डिसॉल्व होगा, कब डिसॉल्व होगा.
It takes a lot
So,
of time.
just to add, I mean, just remembered one conversation that I had with one of the customers. I mean, the early adopters जिनके साथ हम trials कर रहे थे, right? तो मेरे को बोलते हैं, हमने टैबलेट दिया था उनको, तो बोलते हैं मयंक, तेरे को सीरियसली लगता है कि भाई के पास टाइम है कि वो एक बॉटल में ये टैबलेट डाल के 10 मिनट खड़े रहेंगे, 10 मिनट में वो मेरा घर साफ करके जाती है.
Yeah.
Right, and we realized that is when we started realizing ना कि ये यूज़र और परचेसर बहुत अलग है. आप तो फैंसी देख के खरीद लोगे, एक बार दीदी को दे दोगे, फिर वो शेल्फ में पड़ा रहेगा, कभी यूज़ नहीं होगा, वो पुराने क्लीनर्स वापस आते रहेंगे. राइट, फॉर अस टू रियली make this a habit, we have to make it so comfortable कि it is seamless.
Yeah,
Right.
and उनके लिए time is money, right? They have to wrap up one job, go to another, and because they only have what 12 working hours in a day or 10 working hours जो भी, and उतने में they have to fit as many
Correct.
jobs as possible
उनका
to
schedule हमारे
optimize. तो वो
schedule
10
से tight
मिनट
होता है.
रुकेंगे ही नहीं.
Correct.
Impossible, right? Impossible. तो हमने टैबलेट बनाए थे, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं बना पाए. If you even if you think of it, it's just so easy, right? एक टैबलेट लेके डाल दिया हो जाएगा. Looks
Yeah.
very nice. We tried for 6 months. We tried for 6 months. हमने सब कुछ ट्राई किया. And we came to the conclusion कि वो 15-20 मिनट लगेगा ही लगेगा. अगर
Yeah.
दुनिया में कोई और कुछ गलत अलग बोल रहा है तो आई वॉन्ट टू डिबेट कि कैसे किया. अनलेस यू यूज वार्म वाटर, हॉट वाटर.
Yeah.
अभी आप जाके दीदी को बोलोगे इसको गर्म पानी में डालो तो वो और बकला जाएगी, राइट? क्योंकि
हाँ.
वेस्ट में तो टैप वाटर में यू हैव हॉट एंड
Yeah.
कोल्ड, इधर नहीं है ऑप्शन, राइट? सो वी ऑल ऑफ दिस वाज लर्निंग्स अगेन कि जो विदेश में चलता है या नहीं चलता है. आप इंस्पिरेशन ले सकते हो, कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं चलता है. दिस इज अनदर
Yeah.
एग्जांपल ऑफ द सेम.
Yeah.
तो फिर हमने पाउडर बनाया, करेक्ट? और जब हमने पाउडर दिया लोगों को तो फीडबैक्स बहुत अलग आने लगे कि यार इसमें ना थोड़ा कलर डाल दो, सफाई अच्छी हो रही है बट कुछ स्टेन छोड़ रहा है, वाइट स्टेन छोड़ रहा है, राइट? फ्रेग्रेंस थोड़ा बढ़ा दो, कलर डाल दो. सो दीज वर प्रॉब्लम्स व्हिच वर सॉल्वेबल. तो जब हमने पूछा कि यार हमको था फॉर्म फैक्टर वाज आवर बिगेस्ट चैलेंज कि आर पीपल विलिंग टू एक्सपेरिमेंट दिस पाउडर इनटू लिक्विड.
Yeah.
तो हमने बोला कि आपको ऐसे अनकंफर्टेबल नहीं लग रहा क्या? पाउडर को लो, लिक्विड में डालो, पानी में डाल के मिक्स करो. तो एक जन तो बोलते हैं यार हम इतने भी तो क्या बोलते हैं बेवकूफ़ नहीं है,
हाँ.
करेक्ट? मतलब पाउडर है तो उसको एक लिखा हुआ 1 लीटर पानी में डालना है तो डालना है.
हाँ.
मतलब हेयर डाई भी तो ऐसे ही करते हैं,
हाँ.
टैंक पिया है, राइट? सो पीपल स्टार्टेड कंपेयरिंग दिस टू एग्जिस्टिंग सॉल्यूशंस ऑलरेडी इन द
Yeah.
मार्केट वेयर देव बीन यूजिंग दिस फॉर्म फैक्टर. So that was enough confidence for us कि a form factor is worthy a shot that we should do, right? And efficacy was something that we built on, right? Whatever were the challenges, that was the journey again. And I think our customers have been our biggest, I would say,
Brand ambassadors.
confidence booster in the initial days, right? कि कभी किसी ने गाली नहीं दी हमको. I think it's also because we've been so approachable and we've gone with our chin in front कि आप थप्पड़ ही मारने वाले हो, right? And when you go with that intention,
Yeah.
क्या होता है ना, मतलब सामने वाला ऑटोमेटिकली सोचता है ठीक है यार कुछ करने की ट्राई करे, हेल्प कर लेते हैं.
Right.
I think because we also understood कि we want to solve this problem, you don't have that problem. Let's be very clear, right? In other categories, in food, in skincare, etc., you have a problem, brands are solving for it. Here there is no problem. The problem is at an industry level, not at a consumer level. Right? Here is it's
Yeah.
guilt at a consumer level for a fraction of second when you are throwing that bottle. It's just that 10 seconds के लिए आपको बुरा लगता है यार एक और bottle फेंक दी shit. ठीक है चलो next.
Yeah.
हो गया.
Yeah.
Right? So there is no problem that I am solving for. So I always have to go with my chin in front की
Yeah.
गाली मिल सकती है कि यार ये क्लीनर को लेके इतने सवाल क्यों पूछ रहा है.
But cost was a problem, right? Which you're solving
There
for,
was-
for the consumers.
It was not a problem. आपको सेम चीज़ 500 रुपए की भी मिलती है, सेम चीज़ 1500 रुपए की भी मिलती है. Right? क्वालिटी में फ़र्क आ जाता है. But again, because you are not the end user, you don't care.
Right.
Right? So there is something for everybody. But we were like, there is nothing for the end user. Correct? So I think this approach helped, where we went with the intention कि हमको गाली ही मिलने वाली है from a consumer कि यार क्योंकि it's cleaning as a category. Let's be realistic, right? And I think that was the journey. It was a 1-year journey. It was not a small journey. 6-8 months product development, 3-4 months of testing and feedbacks, and then trying hundreds of packaging materials.
Yeah.
किसी में फट रहा था, किसी में लीक हो रहा था, किसी में फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं रह रहा था, right? And then from there to making marketplaces understand कि when you are putting a 5-liter floor cleaner and you're putting a weight of 300 grams, 200 grams, they are not able to understand. Their algorithms are not able to understand.
Yeah.
वो कितनी बार challenge आया हमको, right? Getting
I
those
can
big,
imagine.
getting those big marketplaces to understand your product, right? And then today being the best sellers in multiple categories.
Yeah.
With those products.
So how do you write? मतलब अगर आपकी एक sachet है for say 5 liters, do you write 5 liters or do you write?
We write makes, so we have a 1 liter sachet
हाँ.
into 5. So that if you are using a 1 liter bottle, you can just
Show
keep
it to you
refilling.
Okay.
Right? And and we write makes 1 liter.
हाँ,
And-
so अगर मैं
हाँ.
Amazon पे जाऊँ और देखूँ
हाँ.
तो I will be
आप-
able to see makes 1 liter.
Clevo powder to liquid floor cleaner
हाँ.
1 लीटर लिखा होगा एंड इमेज पे ऊपर ही एक ड्रॉप होगा वहाँ लिखा है मेक्स 1 लीटर.
Understood.
So if you see the packaging also, right? Now it says makes 1 liter, correct? It says powder to liquid floor cleaner, so it's very
Yeah.
easy to understand. So we've used your traditional floor cleaner bottle only as an here, so that क्योंकि again coming to the end consumer, आप ये लाके आपके help को दे दोगे. Right now, if you give them, they will not know what. If they are not able to read with this bottle, they are able to identify कि ठीक है ये floor cleaner है. क्योंकि floor cleaner का bottle ऐसे दिखता है.
Correct.
Right, and then we tried to be a little more fancy where ये sachet बना के powder pour हो रहा है bottle में, so it's like a powder to liquid sort of a thing, and definitely पीछे instructions दिए हुए हैं properly,
हाँ.
right, and all of that is there. So if you see this again, this is a spray cleaner का refill, right? So we put
Okay.
a spray bottle here so that it's very easy to understand for an end user.
Understood. And then you also have these bottles that
हाँ.
you provide.
हाँ, so we provide the minimum size bottle, right? Floor
अच्छा.
cleaner, even if you buy a
8
10
liter.
liter, we give you a 1 liter bottle, empty bottle with that, if you want, it's optional. We see
Okay.
95% of the people today are buying only refills for floor cleaners,
हाँ.
right? Spray cleaners में it's a 50-50 split because it's not easy to imagine everybody having a spray bottle at home.
Yeah.
तो हम तो अभी उस एक्सटेंट तक जाने का सोच रहे हैं कि हम सिर्फ स्प्रे देंगे क्या लोगों को.
Spray with the refills.
With this
हाँ.
refill, we only give you the spray,
Spray.
and
Yeah.
it will fit on any bottle you want.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Amazing. That's
Right.
actually, but I don't think ऐसे bottles होंगे ना लोगों के पास होंगे क्या?
आपके बिस्लरी बॉटल में आ जाएगा.
अच्छा बिस्लरी में आ जाएगा.
बिस्लरी में
So
बन
it's a
जाएगा.
universal head. So it's actually
Oh.
so अगर आप देखोगे ना
That's
majority
interesting.
of the bottles उनका अगर width भी बड़ा होता है ना
हाँ.
ऊपर से नीचे एक और छोटा सा वो स्क्रू होता है.
अच्छा.
वो यूनिवर्सल होता है एक सर्टेन mm होता है.
Basically,
तो
it's
उसमें फिट हो जाता है.
all your cold drink bottles, your Bisleri bottles,
Yeah.
and your existing cleaning bottles, उन
हाँ,
सबका
हाँ,
जो माउथ होता है that's universal. तो वो स्प्रे फिट हो जाता है कोई भी
Wow.
So
spray.
that is something we really
Interesting.
want to experiment.
Yeah.
Again, that reduces a lot of packaging waste.
Correct. So this is amazing. You guys are thinking about the operational challenges and then you're working it towards the consumer end. So you're starting in A and then moving towards B and then solving for both of these
See,
places.
because I mean, like I said, right? हम brand नहीं बना रहे सिर्फ. हम एक धंधा बना रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Brand is a part of it, right?
Yeah.
And when you're making a business,
Yeah.
the very first principle of solving any problem of making a business is that unless you are doing a social services, you make money,
Yeah.
right? Or you find ways to make money.
Right.
And we are very, very particular and very, very clear कि अगर यूनिट इकोनॉमिक्स नहीं बैठ रहा है, इट इज़ नॉट अ सस्टेनेबल बिजनेस. आज अच्छा लगेगा, 2 दिन बाद नहीं लगेगा, नींद नहीं आएगी क्योंकि तुम्हें पता है तुम कभी पैसा नहीं बना पाओगे, right? And that will never make a legendary company.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, and we want to make a legendary company.
Yeah. And I'm so glad you said धंधा बना रहे हैं, you know, because both of you come with that धंधा mindset. Your backgrounds are business backgrounds, right? So I'm going to start with Karan first.
Yeah.
Like, कभी जॉब करने की सोची भी नहीं ना आपने? You never even intended to.
I come from a Gujarati business background
Yeah.
where my dad is always done business.
Yeah.
For him, doing a job is only a part of learning कि सीख के आओ अगर कर रहे हो तो.
Yeah.
So he never encouraged me to take up a job or do a job.
Yeah.
कि जॉब करके क्या धंधा कर रहा हूँ, build something of your own. So घर से वो बैकिंग हमेशा थी to build something of your own. And बचपन से डैड को भी I have seen him grow his business.
Yeah.
So motivation घर पे ही मिल गया because again we were not very starting से ही कि born with a golden spoon type. So we have also seen like ठीक है छोटी गाड़ी आई फिर थोड़ी बड़ी आई फिर और बड़ी आई फिर बड़ा घर हुआ. तो we have seen that growth story also of our parents. तो वहाँ से काफ़ी मोटिवेशन मिल रहा था कि चलो धंधा करते, let's take that plunge.
हाँ.
तो डेयरिंग वहाँ से ही आती है बेसिकली.
And then how come you decided to get into Clevo? Is this your first business as well?
So I was working with my dad earlier. So me and Mayank, we know each other since now 15 years. We were the
Wow,
backbenchers.
2010.
जी.
हाँ वो स्टोरी बताइए. That's a very interesting one.
हम हमारे कॉलेज के बैक बेंचर्स थे बेसिकली जो
हाँ.
कॉलेज आना पसंद ही नहीं करते थे. हम आधा टाइम तो बाहर ही रहते थे, राइट. सो हमारा ग्रुप बन गया एंड वी बिकेम वेरी क्लोज. वी स्टार्टेड हैंगिंग आउट अ लॉट एंड कॉलेज ख़त्म होने के बाद मयंक अपने रास्ते निकल गया, मैं मेरे रास्ते निकल गया, बट बीइंग इन द सेम सिटी हम लोग काफ़ी मिलते थे, बातें होती थी. आई जॉइन माई डैड्स बिजनेस, मयंक वेंट ऑफ टू डू हिज MBA, एंड वंस मयंक वॉज बैक ही वॉज डूइंग अ जॉब. फिर मयंक को सडनली स्ट्राइक हुआ कि पता नहीं धंधा करना है करके, विच वॉज वेरी शॉकिंग फॉर मी बिकॉज मयंक वॉज नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन इन कॉलेज.
but he's a serial entrepreneur.
नाउ
अच्छा.
2000 आई थिंक 15 या 2015.
One thing changed everything, I'll tell you what.
Yeah, that he'll tell.
Excited to
That he'll
know.
tell. Yeah. So then we discuss business a lot. Mine are discussing business a lot कि यार कैसे करना वैसे, because I was with my dad's business and we were working on an FMCG product where we mainly dealt with MT and GTs. We were not very online first company. We were
Yeah.
a MT GT company.
Modern trade and
Modern
general
trade
trade.
and general trade basically.
So offline.
Offline, completely offline. So ये like यार मेरा ये टूथब्रश डलवा दे, ये straws डलवा दे अगर तेरा, because we had close to 5,000 stores under us that
Oh wow. तो आपका तो distribution है वैसे भी which you can.
मतलब था पहले,
Help.
मतलब हाँ एक्सपीरियंस
Definitely
है,
है, experience
yes,
है.
Yeah. But more than experience, that network is also very important.
yeah.
There are people who call him and tell him कि वो हमको distribution करना
हाँ
है.
मतलब अभी
Oh,
भी
wow.
कर सकते हैं, बट द होल थिंग इज जैसे ही माइंड ने बोला एक फ्रूगैलिटी के साथ बिल्ड करना है, सो स्टेप बाय स्टेप, फेस बाय फेस, विल गेट देयर आल्सो.
Right.
So we used to discuss a lot with Mayank and everything. I mean, Mayank used to discuss a lot with me regarding this. So तब कुछ हुआ नहीं, it didn't work out. Then Mayank ने exit लिया, and I was also planning to do something of my own because ठीक है हो गया, डैड से एक्सपीरियंस ले लिया, मज़ा आ गया, ठीक है जो भी है. Now I wanted to do something of my own, build my
Yeah.
own brand.
Yeah.
Right, that's when me and Mayank started talking. It was I think post COVID maybe. We started talking यार ऐसे करते, because both of us he were talking about the same category, home
Yeah.
care, but मेरा कुछ different था, इसका कुछ different था. And we like ये भी कर सकते हैं. That's when we like चलो साथ में करके देखते हैं. And that's how the journey of Clevo started. And since we are friends from so long, right? तो
Yeah.
एक दूसरे का plus minus सब पता है. We
Yeah.
know how we want to build it. Basically, both of us are like aligned. Like
Yeah.
we think in a same way. तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट होता नहीं है ज़्यादा कि नहीं मयंक वांट्स टू डू इट सेपरेटली, लाइक इन अ सेपरेट वे, और आई वांट टू डू इट इन सेपरेट वे.
Yeah.
तो वो बॉन्डिंग भी, कॉलेज की बॉन्डिंग जो हमने की थी वो काफ़ी काम है. सो वी वर मोर लाइक कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग ईच अदर इन द
Yeah.
वर्क बेसिकली.
Yeah. और आप कॉलेज में भी इतने ही क्लोज थे?
मतलब it built over. I mean अभी तो पता नहीं. I mean it feels like she's always been a part of my life now.
Yeah, you can't
Right?
even remember the time, ना?
Especially in the past 2-3 years तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है. मतलब मैं भी कभी-कभी हम बोलते हैं थोड़ा तू अपना देख, मैं मेरा देखता हूँ. I mean it's just मतलब
इसके
in all
घर पे
fun.
तो मेरे को सेकंड वाइफ बुलाते हैं इसकी.
I was just gonna say it, but I was thinking, would that be politically correct to say? तो मैं चुप बैठी बता.
हाँ मतलब ठीक है, मजाक में तो यार सब सही है, कुछ भी
Yeah,
बोल सकते
yeah.
हैं. And yeah, you can.
Yeah, so what was your story like?
So मेरा थोड़ा अलग है, right? Like I think we discussed briefly
You
also.
did not want to be a businessman, right?
Yeah. So again, मैंने बचपन से business ही देखा है, correct? Apart from going to school or going out, and you know, I come from a joint family setup. I was in a house where there were 25 people at one point.
Wow.
Right? Two in a house where there are 4 people now. right? तो 6 people, sorry. So मैंने बचपन से यही देखा है कि एक ऑफिस है, पापा का एक फैक्ट्री है जहाँ मेरे अंकल जाते हैं, पापा जाते हैं, राइट? वो बैठते हैं, 2-3 स्टाफ है बस, एंड कर रहे कुछ कर रहे, मतलब ऑफिस कुछ बिजनेस कर रहे हैं. मतलब मेरे लिए वही ऑफिस होता था,
Yeah.
राइट? बट देन आई स्टार्टेड सीइंग यार ये बड़े बड़े कॉर्पोरेट ऑफिसेज होते हैं, यू सी इन टीवी, राइट? एंड देन आपको लगता है यही करना है. तो आई ऑलवेज थॉट कि जैसे लोग बोलते हैं मुझे पायलट बनना है, इंजीनियर बनना है, माई ड्रीम वॉज कि मैं ऐसे ऑफिस में जाके काम करूँ, राइट? And I don't know, for some reason I always wanted to do a corporate job. I wanted to be a professional. I don't want to be a businessman or someone जो ये business मतलब a proper छोटा businessman. I wanted to be someone with a nice big office, 100 people working there and all of that. तो उस thought के साथ I was very clear कि कॉलेज के बाद जॉब नहीं मिला तो MBA करूँगा. ठीक है, जॉब नहीं मिली. राइट? तो मैं MBA करने चला गया. Wherever I could find the next best alternative. पढ़ाई में I've never been a great sort of a person in academics. तो मैंने MBA किया, right, जहाँ पे भी मिला. I think from there my life started changing a little by little, because I got out of my own closet of that or that own sort of atmosphere where I've only seen this for the past 18-20 years of my life, right? So when I suddenly went out to a different city जहाँ पे पूरे देश से अलग अलग लोग थे, राइट? मतलब सो मेरे को बहुत ऐसे मतलब पहले तो इंटिमिडेटेड लगा, बिकॉज मैं चेन्नई से यहाँ जा रहा हूँ एंड यू नो हाउ पीपल आर अ लिटिल डिफरेंट इन द नॉर्थ, इन द वेस्ट, इन द ईस्ट, राइट? थोड़ा इंटिमिडेटिंग हो सकता है और वो हुआ, राइट? एंड देन आई मेड फ्रेंड्स, आई लर्न अ लॉट अबाउट डिफरेंट लाइफ स्टाइल्स. जॉब भी मिला, राइट? द जॉब दैट आई वॉन्टेड वो मिला, किया मैंने 1 साल के लिए, आई थिंक 1.5 साल के लिए जॉब किया, राइट? वर्कड इन अ स्टार्टअप वेयर आई गॉट टू लर्न अ लॉट, एंड दैट इज व्हेन आई रियलाइज बॉस दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, राइट? अगेन उसको स्टार्टअप बोलते बट वो है तो धंधा ही. आई वाज वर्किंग विद द CXOs, तो मेरे को क्लियरली पता है कि बाहर से इतना, मेरे दोस्त बोलते थे तू स्टार्टअप में काम कर रहा है, तू फाउंडर्स के साथ इतना क्लोजली काम कर रहा है, बट आई न्यू कि आई एम अंदर, जब मैं काम कर रहा हूँ अंदर कैसा है, जो मेरे पापा करते हैं वही है. इट इज़ जस्ट ऑप्टिक्स, राइट? एंड मतलब I was very clear कि यार यही करना है, and unfortunately that company also shut shop and I did not look for another job. I सोचा अभी क्या करना है, right? And then I started traveling. I did like I planned a small backpacking trip which became like a 6-month का expedition, right? Very interesting. I think that was the best phase of my life, right? That was the phase where it molded me into a very different person, right? पहले I was this I would like to say think that I was this carefree sort of a person in college, देख लेंगे type, like he said, right? बहुत change हो गया, but I think those 6 months transformed me into a more humble, a more grounded and a more simplistic sort of a person, because I was in small villages in the Himachal, right? Learning farming, staying with people over there, out of interest, nothing else. There was no compulsion or anything. Out of interest, I had nothing else to do, so I was doing that, right? So when I came back home, I started a solar company.
Oh.
Right? Because I saw that
Very unique.
north, yeah. I mean,
Different,
it was a little unique then. अभी तो बहुत common हो गया है. Right? मैंने ये देखा था कि यार I found the technology very interesting and it was not new, but I felt it was not adapted enough.
Okay.
Right? तो मैं जब वापस आया मुझे लगा कि यार ये चेन्नई में इतने बड़ा B2B कर सकते हैं because of the industrial estates.
Yeah.
Right? So very naive, I learnt about it and I built a network of consultants who can execute a project for me. सब करके मैंने कोल्ड ईमेल्स करना चालू किया. सो दैट इज़ हाउ आई लर्नड सेल्स. तो मैंने मेरे जॉब में तो सेल्स सीखा ही था, जहाँ पे मैं फ्री में सामान बेच रहा था, तो देर वॉज नो लर्निंग और नेगोशिएशन, राइट? तो हियर आई वॉज प्रीटी गुड एट राइटिंग ईमेल्स, आई कैन से, बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सपीरियंस आई हैड. तो आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ ईमेल्स. 500 ईमेल्स लिखे हो गए मेरे को याद है. 2 रिस्पॉन्स आए थे and one of them converted, so they are one of the largest factories in the city, right? And it was a very big project, right? So my first, I can say the first check that I got was probably 5 years of my salary, right?
Wow.
In 2 months, and I was on cloud
Amazing.
9, right? And बहुत मज़ा आया, but it was a beginner's luck. उसके बाद कभी project नहीं मिले, right? And I also learned that I'm not able to do this better, right? फिर one thing led to the other. I was still exploring. I had keen interest in manufacturing, right? तो मैंने एक D2C brand चालू किया, right? जहाँ पे हम लोग stainless steel straws बेचते थे.
Oh, nice.
Again, this started with an insight कि महाराष्ट्र में प्लास्टिक बैन हो गया था, तो कोकोनट वेंडर्स को नारियल पानी पीने के लिए, बेचने के लिए कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं था, राइट? लोगों को क्या बेचेंगे? वो आर्टिकल पढ़ रहा था मैं रात के 2 बजे, राइट? और उस पर मेरे को एक ऐड दिखा, स्टील स्ट्रॉ का, अमेजोन का ऐड. तो मैंने वहाँ से वो प्रोडक्ट खरीदा, क्योंकि मेरे घर पे सेम प्रॉब्लम था. वो उसको यूज़ करने के लिए, मतलब घर पे यूज़ करने के लिए बहुत लीक होता था व्हेन यू पुट इट इन अ ग्लास. सो इफ यू हैव द स्ट्रॉ यू कैन जस्ट ड्रिंक इट, राइट? तो वो खरीदा, ओनली टू रियलाइज दैट माई डैड हु रन्स अ स्टील बिजनेस टू टेल मी कि ये तो पाइप है, राइट? ये स्टील पाइप है. मैंने यार इंटरेस्टिंग है, देन वी शुड गिव इट टू ऑल द रेस्टोरेंट्स इन चेन्नई, राइट? ठीक है.
So you were manufacturing or you were trading?
No, I was manufacturing.
Manufacturing.
So, फिर I think from then in the next 2 months I learned how to manufacture straws, Made a machine from scratch, right? Minimal investment, right? 30,000-40,000 rupees invest किया. Went on to the factory floor in some factory in Chennai where it took me 2 weeks to convince them कि मेरे को सिखा तो दो, मैं थोड़ी बोल रहा बना के दो, मैं बना दूंगा, आप सिखा दो. सीखा. I made those 10,000 straws with one person, right? Gave them in B2B, समझ आया it's not working out. राइट तो फिर हमने भी अमेज़ॉन पे डाल दिया कि इसको अभी 10,000 स्ट्रॉ है तो कहीं तो देना पड़ेगा ना. तो उसको मैंने अमेज़ॉन पे डाल दिया अंडर अ नाइस ब्रांड एंड वी स्टार्टेड सीइंग गुड ट्रैक्शन, राइट. स्टार्टेड सीइंग दैट व्हेन प्राइस्ड राइट, इट वाज प्राइस्ड राइट, राइट, क्योंकि ऑल द अदर सेलर्स वर बाइंग इट फ्रॉम चाइना एंड सेलिंग, तो उनका महंगा पड़ता था.
Right.
तो हम इसको इतना अफोर्डेबल प्राइस में, वो 200-300 रुपये के प्राइस पॉइंट में सेल कर पा रहे थे कि ऑर्गेनिकली बहुत लोग हमको खरीदने लगे, राइट. एंड दे स्टार्टेड लाइकिंग इट एंड वी स्टार्टेड सीइंग tier 2 tier 3 अडॉप्ट द प्रोडक्ट.
Wow.
पीपल आर सेइंग माय किड स्टार्टेड टू ड्रिंक मोर मिल्क, राइट. इसमें कलर स्ट्रॉज आप डालो ना करके एंड ऑल ऑफ
And kids love drinking through straws, huh? Even if they can drink it, normally वो excitement होता है, वो मैं straw से पी लूँ.
they look forward to it,
Yeah,
right.
yeah.
So
I remember I used to do that.
so in hindsight, I mean what started as a B2B project, right, ended up becoming like a consumer product.
Yeah.
Correct. And it all of this, if you see, right, it just happened naturally. So one of the things that when I look at it now is that I've always gone with the flow, right, and I've always believed in my gut, right, and I've given 100% in whatever I've done. I think that is very important. Correct. And I think I'm pretty proud of that. If you ask me one thing that you're proud of is that if I'm doing something, I make sure that I give it all in. Otherwise, I don't do it. And 99% of the time, you will get a result, right?
Yeah.
You will get to know whether it's working or it's not working. If you give it all in, right, you will get a result. But if you don't give it all in, you will never get a result, right? Probably 1 year wasted. I say 1 year learned.
Yeah.
Right. So I think I gave it all in, right? Became a very good brand. I would say a brand which was swapping your lifestyle with one sustainable product at a time.
Yeah.
Your straws, your toothbrush, your water bottles, your cutlery set. Penetrating deep into the tier 2 cities, right, where we got 30-40% of our orders from. COVID हुआ, COVID के बाद, I mean, we're doing decent size business. We got acquired,
Wow.
right? Yeah, and good exit. I mean, another. I would say another milestone in my career or in my professional life, right? Where my dad till today, I'm definitely very proud, right? A very proud parents, but till today he doesn't understand कि तू पाइप बेचते बेचते कंपनी को कैसे बेच के आया और इतने पैसे कैसे लेके आया, right? That is something that he still doesn't understand, but but he's understood that there is something interesting that happens online.
Yeah.
that is where his knowledge ends.
I want to know about your journey. आप कैसे आइडियाबाज तक पहुँचे? And then पहुँचने के बाद आपके साथ क्या हुआ? What was that feeling like? You know, I want to know about the emotional journey that happened on Ideabuzz and the journey, both emotional, mental, whatever happened before.
I don't know how to say this, but we did not take it seriously,
Yeah.
right? When it came to us, and in all honesty, we also were on cloud 9 because हमारा previous funding round तभी close हुआ था, right? And we were moving to a bigger factory with increasing our marketing budgets and doing a lot of new things. So and we're getting a lot of PR done around the whole fundraise. So we were already overwhelmed by the sort of inbounds that we were getting from people in general talking more about our story etc, right? तो हम already बहुत ज़्यादा overwhelmed थे, right? फिर हमको ये Ideabuzz का opportunity आया, तो obviously because कभी सुना नहीं था, and it was very new. I think as a show also it's the first season, right?
And a lot of things were confidential also that time. So they couldn't share कि है कौन Titans होने क्या वाला है.
The only thing that we know is Pratik Gandhi है अभी. We know Pratik Gandhi for Harshal Mehta, the scam. Right. अभी वो face value पे थोड़ा seriousness आ जाता है. मतलब I'm just talking from the very first impression that we had. Right. फिर हमने फॉर्म भरा, मतलब इट्स स्मॉल फॉर्म तो भर दिया कि चलो यार, there's no harm, right? I mean, regret नहीं होना चाहिए किसी चीज़ का. फॉर्म भर दिया. And then we moved on to the next round. We had a video call, वो पिच मैंने अकेले किया था. Karan was in Nashik and he was I think traveling or something. राइट तो मैंने एक तो अकेले किया. मैंने बोला कि इन दैट पिच की मेरा को-फाउंडर आज इधर नहीं है करके राइट. फिर वीडियो पिच सबमिट करने के बाद वी हैड अ वीसी कॉल, वीडियो कॉल राइट. वहाँ पे आइडियाबाज के टीम ने हमको बोला कि व्हाई दे थिंक दैट दिस इज अ राइट फिट इनटू द आइडियाबाज इकोसिस्टम या फिर द थीसिस, बिकॉज pure play audience is the housewives and the mass of the country, which again हमको फिर इंटरेस्ट आने लगा कि it makes sense right from a business point of view. फिर हमने भी हमारा ड्यू डिलिजेंस किया obviously right. इधर उधर से ट्राई करने का फाइंड किया कि हुआ द टाइटन्स कौन होने वाला है. कुछ गेस करेक्ट निकले, कुछ गलत निकले राइट. दैट वाज आवर ओन एक्टिविटी दैट वी डिड. We took it as it came right. Didn't have a lot of expectations obviously right. We had to choose between two shows. We chose this and
we'll talk about this offline.
and क्या बोलते हैं.
What brought us over was कि एक लाइन ही कि this show is all about the founders, right? So फालतू में आपकी बैशिंग नहीं होगी जो हम देखते आते हैं बेसिकली. तो that brought us over कि चलो यार जाते हैं like बोल रहे इतना इट्स ऑल अबाउट बिकॉज नोबडी टॉक्स अबाउट द फाउंडर्स राइट. जनरली बिजनेस दिखा दिया या आपके जो जजेस है वो दिखा दिए. फाउंडर्स के बारे में बहुत कम लोग बात करते हैं. वो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा कि एक सेगमेंट ही है कि वी आर गोइंग टू हाईलाइट द फाउंडर्स. That's why we are doing this podcast also with the founders.
हमने ये पूछा भी था क्योंकि in all honesty it is very easy to badmouth our brand and bash us because this is something very different from whatever is there in this category right. It doesn't take time बोलने के लिए नहीं चलेगा and flip the narrative right. And it's not in our control. So we were very very particular about this one thing क्योंकि बहुत मुश्किल से यहाँ तक पहुँचे and nobody can do that to us for any reason. और वो भी confidence आया. हमने multiple times पूछा right. And I think this is where I think as founders I mean again anybody who's starting up or who's just starting up, I think if you ask me one thing that I learned is that this also key, hold your ground right. If you think something is right and something is valuable, hold it because the same thing applies to the opposite person also. They also think something is right. कोई गलत नहीं होता है. If you see सबका अपना नज़रिया होता है. So I think we were very very clear about that and that an Ideabuzz gave us a lot of confidence on that and वो एक phase था वो भी हमने.
Narrative is a very important thing because especially in today's generation where we're so influenced by social media about what people say, it's so easily to get swayed away by others' opinions. और ऐसे लोग होते हैं especially youngsters right that are not very firm on their own ground. It gets incredibly difficult because आप फिर confuse हो जाते हो ना, ये करना है वो करना है and then and with that confusion comes a lot of chaos. So that's an amazing piece of advice. Kudos to you for figuring that out.
Yeah, मतलब I think we've seen it, so we've spoken to people and we've gotten to know a few things. Maybe that's why.
Yeah.
But I think like Karan was saying right कि ये हुआ then I think फिर हम जब नासिक से सामान पैक किया हमने, I was in नासिक, हमने गाड़ी में सामान लोड किया, me, Karan and his wife, right. हम लोग गाड़ी लेके नासिक से बॉम्बे आए. तभी भी हमने इतना we took it very casually to be very honest. फिर हम आए सेट के बाद हमने इतना बड़ा प्रतीक गांधी का फोटो पोस्टर देखा तब लगा अरे ठीक है इतने लोग बैठे हैं वो हेडफोन माइक डाल के घूम रहे इधर उधर लगा ठीक है. एंड आई थिंक हम कब इंटिमिडेट हुए या डर लगा कि नहीं यार दिस इज रियल इज व्हेन वी सॉ द सेट. राइट. हमको पहले वो दिखाया और हमको बोला आप ये देख के डरोगे, डरना मत.
They knew it.
ये देख के हम आपको समझाएंगे कि यहाँ पे क्या होगा. एंड आई थिंक ब्रिलियंट टीम राइट. मतलब एट नो पॉइंट इन दैट 3-4 days का जो भी जर्नी था, no point did we feel intimidated, we felt scared
and alone
right. हमको day 1 से बोला गया we know you guys are not actors so don't worry about it, you don't have to act right. And I think that helped a lot. That helped a lot. I mean, that sort of support. I mean, you know, I'm still in touch with them. I still talk to them.
Yeah.
Everybody's so happy for whatever happened. And I think मतलब उधर हमको हिट हुआ जब हम आए कि यार शिट
Yeah.
राइट फिर वो भी स्क्रिप्ट आया बेसिक सा अबाउट आवर स्टोरी व्हाट वी हैड टू नरेट
Yeah.
राइट द फर्स्ट 2 minutes वेयर वी हैड टू टेल आवर स्टोरी ओवर एंड ओवर आई थिंक होटल में हम वही प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं दिन रात वही प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं एंड very very good fun. We made a lot of reels on it also on our Instagram lately. And then the big day. I think अंदर गए and
Tell me about the walk also.
I think the walk was something that we were practicing a lot. हम रूम में भी ऐसे प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे राइट एंड हमने 2-3 बार वहाँ पे किया ऐसे मतलब ऑफलाइन हमने प्रैक्टिस किया
तो पिच से ज्यादा आप चलने के प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे
वैसे मतलब थोड़ा मतलब ऑब्वियसली राइट बिकॉज दैट इज योर एंट्री हमने हंस के ट्राई किया हमने ऐसे करके ट्राई किया तो वो सब हुआ एंड फिर हम आए स्टेज पे एंड आई थिंक प्रतीक गांधी I think so comforting to have him there. I think that I don't know if a lot of people have spoken about this on the podcast.
We have
or
multiple
on the
times.
show,
Yeah.
but I think it was because of him, right? That I mean, well, a lot of people come and tell us कि you guys were so confident, right, in the pitch. I mean, you knew everything so well. I think it was a 1.5 hours का pitch, right? हमने 15 minute देखा है. So there's so many things that happened where we panicked, right? And him just being there, right, changed everything. Like wherever we fumbled a little bit in the narrative, right? He came in and he's like he held the ground for us. He diverted the conversation, and I think the sort of support that he brings in is brilliant because. Otherwise, there is always a point where there can be a situation where it is us versus them, right? Because you're trying to sell something and they're trying to buy something at a cheaper price or at a different sort of a proposition, right? He is there to make sure you get what is right and you get what you deserve, right? It's not even about finding a middle ground. I think for him, it's about the founders get what they have come for or they get what they deserve, and he's invested in a couple of businesses there. Right, signed ambassador deals, and that says a lot about his composure. I mean, his commitment also to the larger cause of Ideabuzz, and just the way he's hosting it and the way the loudness in his voice, right? I mean, it's brilliant to see. And I mean, बहुत मजा आया. I mean, then the cherry on the cake was. Done. If you see the reel proper, I mean the videos properly, right? So there's this point where everything is standstill, like you mentioned, एकदम silent है. I'm calculating in my head. 50 crore का valuation था, fair valuation है, no matter what वही चाहिए. That was going on in my head.
But you must have had a buffer, right?
He did, but
क्योंकि it's very difficult, यार, to get
we did have a buffer.
the exact deal that you're asking for.
We did have a buffer, to be honest. But I think the moment we started talking there, and the moment we started seeing the confidence, and the moment we had the numbers in our head, right, we were like, boss, I mean, we should have asked for a higher valuation and negotiated, but that is not what we. And I told that over there, right? See, we are not here to negotiate, and probably if you guys negotiate, we'll negotiate. But if you think 5.5x is not a great multiple, then what is? I mean, if not decent multiple for a business that's growing like us, then what is? I mean. If you want to negotiate, then obviously Rishabh के साथ हम मना नहीं करेंगे, right? And I think they also understood the maturity that we came in with, right? That it's not just about the money. I mean, it's about doing it the right way, and that is why there was no negotiation. Right?
You know, because for one moment that you spend negotiating on the show, I feel sometimes it does affect the relationship that you grow on to build in the future. And then, kyunki this is like a very long-term partnership, you don't want it to start on a bad note where you kind of have that little bit of an ill will कि अरे इसने गलत किया हमारे साथ, इसने tried to pull us down.
And we had come with a very clear mind, right? See, we've had people back us, right? And we talk about this a lot. More than Ideabuzz, we talk about this a lot, right? I write on LinkedIn about this, right? I tag these people more than I tag anybody else, right? On the show also, I was very clear, right, that boss, there are people who believed in us when nobody did, and no matter what, right, we cannot do this unless we are making sure we are creating value for them,
Yeah.
right? And I want to talk about it again, where there were two lows before Ideabuzz. I mean, Ideabuzz was a great high, right? But there were two very, very important lows where we were at a near-death situation because of maybe funding issues or things which were not in our control, right? So, and once you raise, right? Then there is no looking back. You raise with an intention of making it as a solid big business and looking
Yeah.
at profits later. So you cannot be like you're raising to burn, because you're
Yeah.
raising to grow fast and you just cannot suddenly stop, right? So I think when we launched the first term sheet, I mean at the SHA stage, right? There were investors who really believed in us, right? Which helped us start the engine, right? Joel Samir have spoken
Yeah.
about
Yeah.
it. Never forget that, right? I mean, we're very, very grateful for that. That one small gesture that he did, he made 5 phone calls and we got the money in the bank. Maybe a small gesture for him, but everything for us, right? 2, again, scaling the business and being in the same boat where too small for an angel, too small for a VC, too big for an angel, where, right, Eternal Capital, Dhruv, who was an angel in our company and started his own fund, right, did things which he's not ideally supposed to do, right? Lead the round, etc.
Yeah.
On sheer belief that capital will unlock everything for you guys,
Yeah.
and it did, right? 2, coming on to national television and raising, I think, 5 to 6x
Yeah.
of what we wanted, right? Rejecting an offer or not honoring an offer, right? Where I mean, this is another great mind coming on your cap table, just shows to believe that, you know, we are all about people.
Yeah.
Right? We are all about people and always will be, right? I mean, maybe like you said, there might be situations where it might not be ideal, but I think it's okay. देख लेंगे.
Yeah.
And so that was a great high. I think the done moment. I mean, now if you go back to the pitch and if you see, right, there's this moment where I said, can we do 5 crores for 10%?
Yeah. Yeah.
And Rishabh says done. Very, very slowly he says casually done. And I'm like done. And he's like done. And then Priyanka is like mota moti 50 crore. And he's like again he says done. And I'm like done. Right? So that is still there in my head.
Yeah.
Right? Because there was no negotiation, nothing, no apprehension. I mean, he exactly knew what he's coming in for. Right? Like solid clarity in those 90 minutes. I mean, I've never seen.
Yeah.
And it's like he already came prepared ki yahi karna hai types.
Yeah.
I mean, while he didn't, I mean, it just looked like
Huh.
that.
Huh.
And yeah, we got great meme material there. We'll be doing that.
I think this is exactly what you learn, right? Like more than the money that comes in, the mentorship and the learnings of the journey that these veterans have been through. How do you put a price on that?
Yeah, you can't. I met Rishabh. I went to their office, spent good 3-4 hours with him.
Wow.
Right? Discussed a lot of things apart from business, people, life, and been brilliant. I mean, sort of humbleness that he brings for the stature at where he is. I don't know how he does it. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
I've told him also. Maybe at times he must be thinking कि ये क्यों ऐसे बोल रहा है, but it is true, right? A lot of people tell that, and I think Arjun told it on live television. I mean, on the show as well. And I think there's too much to learn,
Yeah.
right? And very, very grateful for, I think, whatever happened at Ideabuzz, and it's more than anything, it's validation for us.
Yeah.
It's like national television validation that
Yeah.
कोई आया है जो कुछ करने वाला है.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Amazing. Karan, what do you think about it?
About the show?
How was your journey through Ideabuzz, before Ideabuzz, and we'll
Yeah,
get to
like-
the after in a bit.
Matlab, that's what Mayank just said, that both me and Mayank are not very stage friendly people at all. Like we
That was your first
That was our
national
first
television
national
experience,
television.
and this is your
Stage
first,
experience.
that was
and
the
this is your first
stage
podcast,
experience.
right?
This is our first podcast as well.
Yeah.
Right? So yeah, we were very, there were many questions in our mind even on our journey, the 3-year journey from Nasik to the set, वी वर ओनली थिंकिंग कि कैसा होगा, हाउ इज इट गोइंग टू बी, क्या करने वाले हैं,
Yeah.
कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, कैसे चलना, क्या बोलना,
Yeah.
यू नो कहाँ खड़े रहेंगे, blah 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 and so many things. So as soon as we stepped in again to the Ideabuzz team, they made us feel so comfortable, like coordinating with us. There was no point where we were like left alone in terms of taking care of us for the 3-4 days, right? So no point where they just said कि नहीं आप अपना देख लो,
हाँ.
right? So the way they handled us and trained us that कैसे करना, क्या करना, what you need to do, कैसे चलना, made us feel so comfortable. कुछ नहीं है, आप एक बार बस 5 मिनट चलने दो, फिर आप देखो बस एक बोर्ड मीटिंग है रूम में और कैमरा तो है ही नहीं, बोर्ड मीटिंग चल रही है, वो लोग बैठे, आप बैठे हो, आप अपना नॉर्मल बिजनेस बात करो. So yeah, that was a very smooth experience for
Yeah.
us basically.
And you must have experienced this exactly, ना कि starting में ऐसे कुछ knees are wobbly, hands are shaking. You say no that your hands are shaking. That was such a funny story.
So
I don't want to show the what to say.
What? People
Weakness.
like you for being. Nobody likes perfect people.
I'm kidding, yeah. I mean, I think one of the things like so when we were doing the demonstration bit, right, where
Yeah.
we were showing the product and Karan is saying कि हल्दी हो या हो क्रेयॉन के मार्क एक स्वाइप में वाइप हो जाए, वो स्वाइप में मेरे हाथ धुज रहे थे कि what if for any reason ये नहीं साफ हुआ तो क्या करेंगे, right? I mean, while we practiced it, obviously the whole
Yeah.
flow and it did work, right? But I think that was one fear, and I don't know if it's captured in the video or not, but my hands are shivering there, right? Because again मेरे को ये करते करते बोलना था.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तो वो तो मैंने किया ही नहीं. I mean,
Exactly, because I did not hear you
I
speak.
changed the script.
अच्छा.
वो they right like नहीं होगा मेरे से, पहले मैं ये करता हूँ. I cleaned it and then I came back and then I spoke.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, very scary. I mean, but I think it was needed. Today we are so confident. I think इतना आराम से बैठ के हम इतनी देर से बात कर पा रहे हैं.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, and the beauty of this whole thing is we are actually telling what we are doing in our life. So it doesn't even feel like we are on a stage.
Yeah.
आप मेरे को आज प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स या इंडिया के प्राइम मिनिस्टर के सामने भी अगर खड़ा रखोगे, my tone, my composure will be the same if it's to talk about what we are doing today.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't think this will change now.
Yeah.
And if you ask me to do something else, greet him and give a speech on something else, probably I won't be able to do that. But I think
Yeah.
this comes from inside. So
Amazing.
yeah.
Tell us a little bit about what happened after the show. What were the reactions of your family like on the emotional end, and then how did it catapult your business?
So,
जो आप 2 करोड़ की बात कर रहे हो, from 75 lakhs that was there during the time you came on the set. So how did Ideabuzz help? Were there any strategies that were exchanged? Any ideas exchanged with Rishabh, Priyanka, Pawan?
So I'll start. And so there were 2 things that happened. One, now that we knew we have one of the largest deals, we wanted to celebrate. If we didn't, then I don't know if we would have done whatever we did or not.
Yeah.
But again, right, we were very clear that see, our family wanted to be with us, right? So we said, आप नासिक आ जाओ. हम तो नासिक में रहने वाले. We were very clear that we will be with the team there.
Yeah.
Right, so we flew the team from Chennai to Nasik. We called everybody who works in the factory with their families.
Wow.
Right, we did like a nice screening of about 120 people, where 30 people were the team and another 80-90 people were families of the ladies who work with us. Right,
Amazing.
where they felt very proud, and you know that is why we felt proud, because one of them came and said, आज मैं मेरे husband को मेरे company के event में लेके आई हूँ, and that is when we got to know the magnitude of the sort of impact that is being created even at a small scale like our business, right? I mean, at least किसी को तो उनके life में अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ.
And I think that was a very, very I mean, I don't know how to put it in words. I mean, very, very different feeling, right? I mean, felt happy, felt very proud, felt emotional also, and it was nice to see all those 120 people there. We've documented it really well in terms of videos, right?
Yeah.
So that was a very, very big moment for us after the show. And what my dad also did was, right, while they couldn't travel to Nasik for XYZ reasons, So he did a screening at home.
Oh wow.
There were 50 people in my house.
In
everybody-
Chennai.
In Chennai,
Huh.
right? Everybody, though he got someone with a screen, he arranged for food, he made it into a nice gala. They had
Amazing.
karaoke, and he's like, "मेरा लड़का TV पे आया है, मेरी wife मैं सब TV पे आए हैं," right? And he created that same environment without us even being there. And
Wow.
and I mean, my parents felt very proud. I mean, you know, obviously because one, for whatever happened there, and two, they are on TV.
Yeah.
Right, and everybody called me, and you know, it was a very very beautiful moment. I think, right, my wife was so proud, and very very nice. And apart from this, I mean, business wise though, I mean, obviously when you are on TV, you are on TV. I think today, people who probably were on into minds whether this actually is real or fake, right? Online का जो dilemma
Yeah,
होता है,
yeah.
fake तो नहीं है, right? One clear metric I can give you is, see, everybody does online payments today, right? But there's a reason they do COD, cash on delivery,
Yeah.
because they don't trust whether it will come or not. Even if it is at an extra cost of 40-50 rupees, they don't mind कि वो आएगा तो मैं पैसे दे दूँगा, no problem. पहले our COD ratio used to be 60%, 40% prepaid. Today it's 70% prepaid and 30% COD.
Wow.
Post idea was, right? So clearly indicating that, you know, people are looking at us, people are now trusting us because we came on national television, right? Organically our sales have increased. I mean, obviously the numbers are also speaking for themselves, right? So I mean, yeah, I mean, seeing a great traction. We're moving to a larger warehouse. We are 3xing our capacity. The new factory that we moved into in Feb is already over populated, I would say, right
Amazing.
now. So doing a lot of operational things, and Rishabh's team has been phenomenally very very helpful, right? I mean, right from guiding us on how to think long term, you know, like to how to take decisions today. I think they are playing a very very crucial role in not dictating at all, but in advising and making connects where, you know, it would take us years. They're just a phone call away today.
Right.
So I think that's invaluable. Met Pawan Jaggi also. Pawan Jaggi sir, great insights with him on how tech can help us, and then had a couple of chats with Priyanka a lot on phone and WhatsApp as of now. We haven't
Yeah.
met yet, but had very very interesting conversation. They've started and they've built into a mammoth of a company today, right? And probably do an IPO in the next few years.
Absolutely.
And so much to learn, right? So I think surrounded with the right set of people, now it's on us on how we take this forward.
Amazing. You want to add something, Karan, to this?
I think he summed it up.
He
well.
did. He was
Yeah,
very
yeah.
elaborate about it. That was
Yeah.
brilliant.
I mean, हमको बहुत अच्छा लगा, right? The
Yeah.
way everybody came for the screening, everybody like
Yeah.
3 बजे चले गए factory से वो दिन, हम ready होके आएंगे,
Yeah.
right?
Everyone is so tip top. And all these ladies are from real humble backgrounds, right? They have not been, most of them, this is their first job,
हाँ.
right? कि उन्होंने पहले काम ही नहीं किया था, कि आज वो different situations से
Yeah.
आके,
Yeah.
few of the ladies have been there from day one,
Yeah.
where we literally started out from the small room, right? So
आज they becoming the leaders of
they are
these.
becoming leaders, they are
ladies.
training other new ladies
Yeah,
coming in.
yeah.
The way they keep, because I sit at the factory, I see them operating, right?
Yeah,
It feels
yeah.
like, okay, I don't need to tell or do anything at all, right?
Yeah.
Because pura they're taken care, they know how it's to be done,
Yeah.
processes क्या है, कैसे करना. So I don't need to train anyone.
अपना
Yeah.
समझ के करते
अपना
हैं.
समझ
Yeah,
के करते
yeah.
हैं basically.
And Mayank, you said that these women, उन्होंने आपसे कहा that आज मैं मेरे husband को लेके आई हूँ मेरे business event के लिए या मेरे company के event के लिए. You know, we say it like this, but I can only imagine the kind of pride that she must have felt, right?
Absolutely.
Especially because they're not used to it. They've never been in such a setup where they were the ones to bring their husbands as a plus one to some event, which is theirs, their own. मतलब कुछ घर का तो अपना है ही, पर कुछ बाहर का भी अपना है. Especially in tier 2 cities, tier 3 cities, like we're talking about Nashik and other places now that you would go to. It's incredible, yaar. मतलब I think about it in a way
also,
where
all credits to Priya again.
Yeah.
I was
she's-
just going to say that.
She's the force behind this,
yeah.
right? not coming from an operating background, I mean an operational background, to building this the way we are building it.
Right.
I think it wouldn't have been so smooth or so neat without her,
Yeah.
right? And I think it's
she's
her.
also a more people person, so
हाँ.
जो भी लेडीज आ रही है कि अच्छा मैम है क्या,
हाँ, बस
ठीक है मैम है ना, बस है हमें करके,
उनको हम नहीं चाहिए,
क्योंकि
उनको
मैम डांटती भी है और प्यार भी करती है, दोनों करती है, तो ये
Yeah.
ठीक है मैम की डांट सह लेंगे, गलती की है हमने
हाँ,
करके,
हाँ.
तो शी इज ऑल्सो वेरी पीपल
Yeah.
फोकस्ड पर्सन.
Yeah. The kind of, I think the kind of impact that a woman has on the community that she belongs to is unparalleled, and we can't really put it into a set of algorithm कि अच्छा ऐसे होगा वैसे होगा. It's too much. There's a lot of ripple effects that come into play. So when you elevate that woman, the entire community gets elevated. And in a like multifold way, like 5x, 10x, 100x going forward, right? The kind of legacy that she passes on also, the way her daughters look at her कि अच्छा मेरी माँ बस घर पे रोटी नहीं बनाती हैं, but actually जाके कमाती हैं, घर में पैसा लाती हैं, and that brings a sense of financial freedom for young women whose otherwise motive would have been अच्छा अच्छी शादी करनी है. Now because of you guys, they're thinking अच्छा job करना है अभी. That's a shift that you guys have brought on, man. It's incredible.
And I think that the whole beauty of it is, right, none of this is scripted or planned. It's just it's just very organically flowing, and we are just going with the flow, just making sure we control the tide. Right, we are not trying to shift the tide, we are not trying to be an all women company, we are not trying to be an all men company, we are not trying to keep an equal ratio. We are trying to do nothing. We are just being us. And everybody in the company is very clear that what the larger vision is. Right. And I think it's just, I don't know what is working, but there is something that is working. And feels good.
Talking about the larger vision, now the brand that Clevo has become, tell me that one epiphany wala moment, हम कुछ करके दिखाते हैं moment, where you felt that this is what we want to do.
For me, right, I think we'll answer this individually. For me, I think it was when in the early days, when we were still trying to figure out the product market fit, right. One of my friend who's been using the product, she called me and she said, Mayank, you know what happened today? What happened? मेरे घर पे जो काम करने आती है मेरी हेल्प, वो मेरे से क्लीवो ऑर्डर कराई है और उसने अपने घर पे भेजा है, क्योंकि उसको लगता है कि ये सेफ़र है उसके लिए और अफोर्डेबल है. राइट. आई थिंक एट दैट मोमेंट, वाइल इट माइट साउंड क्या ठीक है ना, एक ही तो चीज़ है, बट आई फेल्ट दैट यही करना है और इनके लिए ही करना है. राइट. इनके लिए भी करना है rather. Right. And I think that one call, right, gave me so much confidence, क्योंकि those were tough days. Those were the days where we were still figuring out the product, we were still figuring out funds, we were still figuring out factory, a lot of things. Right. I think couple of instances like that happened, जहाँ पे लोग कॉल करके बोल रहे हैं हमारी तो हेल्प भी यही प्रोडक्ट पूछ रही है. Right. What else can you ask for? And they are willing to pay for it. Right? Because उनको भी वैल्यू दिखने लग गया है. मुझे लगा है बॉस यही करना है और इसको इतने अच्छे से करना है कि आज ये इनको लाने को बोल रहे हैं, कल ये खुद जाके ले पाए, उतना लेवल ऑफ पेनिट्रेशन करना है. And there is that much scope. So I think it is very simple. I think it again came from our users only. Right. That was for me a moment in the business, right, in the early days, where the thought of us, actually building this for people who actually use the product, to that person coming back and asking for that product, was a complete circle, and that is when I was very clear कि यार ये करना है.
Amazing. And for you, Karan?
Yeah, so for me it was like when we started this, so I was also checking with the market, known people, influential people around you. Yeah, I'm starting this, what do you feel? So I did not get many positive feedbacks that why do you want to get into home care? Nobody cares what you're using. Do skincare. I'll make introductions in this African market, this market. I'll get you the formula also. You do the marketing, branding, blah blah blah. बट आई वॉज वेरी पर्टिकुलर कि नहीं कुछ इसमें ही करना है. एंड वैलिडेशन तब मिला जब while we were testing the product, similar story, while we were testing the product, I got one sample home, and the cleaner got over. I asked my maid couple of times, how is it? And all, yeah, it's nice and all. So once it got over, and when my mom switched the cleaner, she said, why did you switch? The old one was better. So एक तो घर से validation आ गया.
Yeah.
Then second thing is, initially it was just me and Mayank. So I used to handle all the phone calls because जो नंबर दिया था कस्टमर केयर नंबर दिया था, तो वी यूज्ड टू पिक अप एंड आंसर फ़ोन कॉल, COD ऑर्डर्स कंफर्म करते थे. तो वी यूज्ड टू गेट कॉल्स कि यार मेरा पार्सल अभी तक आया नहीं, मैंने दूसरी बार मंगाया है. तो दीज वैलिडेशंस फ्रॉम कस्टमर कि अच्छा नहीं कुछ तो कर सकते हैं अभी इसमें, पीपल आर वांटिंग इट. क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है, आप वेबसाइट से भेजते हो, डिलीवर नहीं होता, या अटक जाता है, घूम जाता है बीच में. देन वी लाइक अरे सॉरी मैम, आप इधर अमेज़ॉन से इमीडिएटली ले लो. तो वो खुशी देती थी हमें कि यू नो पीपल आर आस्किंग फॉर इट. एंड घर पे भी लाइक द मेड डिडंट नो दिस इज माय प्रोडक्ट.
अच्छा.
उसको तो ऐसे ही दिया, क्लीनर है यूज़ कर करके. मुझे लाइक अरे वो ही लाओ, अच्छा फ्रेगरेंस है, ये है वो है. सो दैट फेल्ट कि नहीं यार कुछ कर रहे हैं, लाइक लोगों को जो बोलना है बोलने दे, इसमें कुछ करना है करके, ये कैटेगरी में कुछ करना है.
Amazing. The last question that I want to ask you is for our audience, and this is something that we always ask our founders. वो एक क्या advice है जो आप aspiring entrepreneurs को देना चाहोगे? Somebody who is wanting to walk on the same journey that you have walked on.
I mean, I don't know if I'm the right person to give advices yet.
I think you are, because life is about a journey, right? It's never a destination. See, your destination keeps changing, but it's about the journey that you've been through, and that is commendable. So, I mean, never sell yourself short, especially when you've come on Ideavaz.
Yeah. See, one of the things that I follow and which I've learned, and you know, I think a couple of things that are very important, right? While a lot of people will tell you a lot of things, you will read a lot of things, you will watch The Pursuit of Happiness, you will watch this, you will watch that, you will get motivated. Break the clutter, शोर हटा के खुद के बारे में सोचो, right? Just declutter, right? Remove all the noise before you even think of doing anything, right? कि is it even worth it? Is it even there? कि it's just noise. बहुत बार वो है ही नहीं जो आप सोच रहे हो. Problem है या solution है कि नहीं है. Just break the noise and you know then figure that out. And if you are doing something, give it 100% or don't do it. Because if you give 100%, you will either know is it working or not working, and then you can move on. It's okay if it's not working. It's not okay if you don't know. Right? The most difficult or the most dangerous part in this journey is most of the time you don't know. And I've been there multiple times. Right? So today, even if I feel that it won't work, I still give it 100% just to be sure कि भाई नहीं चल रहा है, next. Right? So whatever it is that you are doing, right? Give it your 100%. Now that 100%, you can decide maybe with a timeline, or you can decide with a certain objective कि इधर तक तो पहुँचना ही है तो 100% है, right? But always live, sleep, eat that.
Yeah.
Right? शाहरुख खान बोलता है एक चीज़, एंड विच आई डीपली रिमेंबर, कि अगर आपको सक्सेसफुल होना है तो आप खाना खाना भूल जाओ, सोना भूल जाओ. विच इज़ ट्रू, राइट? बिकॉज इफ यू आर इन योर कंफर्ट जोन, देन यू आर नॉट गिविंग योर 100%. It's very difficult to give your 100% in your comfort zone. I mean, it's not that it's not possible, but unless you move out of it, you will not know. So just give your 100%, break, remove all the noise, look at it very, very objectively. You will feel very emotional, you will feel very passionate, and there's nothing we can do about it. And in the end, that is the call that you will take. Your gut will tell you what to do, but try to be as objective as you can by removing the clutter around it at least. Right? So that will give you some sort of some sort of a path to follow. Right? And then give it your 100%, and doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, and that's absolutely fine. I think there are more merits for trying today, right? And failing. I mean, if you fail, probably you are a much bigger person today. So I mean,
Yeah.
there's no harm at all.
Yeah.
But yeah.
My dad had taught me this, you know, that winning is not important, participation is.
100%.
And that made me want to win things. So I think that if he would have said that winning is important, then that would have been like a pressure for me, you know. But I totally agree. And I'd written this one quote when I was in 10th standard, okay, back in 2010.
कोट लिखा आपने?
हाँ मतलब I have so I basically write poetry तो मैं लिखते मतलब I'm like a mad person that way I used to write my first poem was on maths by the way maths
Wow. No wonder.
छोड़ो वो सब छोड़ दो but I'm just saying that this quote was it's funny that you think you're productive when you're satisfied.
Wow.
And it's so true.
Wow.
Now also, like what, it's been 15 years now and I still think about it, that it made so much sense that when you're satisfied, when you're happy, I'm not saying that you should be sad, but if you're complacent about where you are, you're never going to be productive and it's a false illusion that, oh, you're doing massive things, but it's not massive, sorry. I mean, you need to like
Wow.
rewire your brain.
That's a very powerful quote.
Huh?
Very powerful.
I was a kid that time.
Yeah,
but
I
okay.
mean,
Karan, what about you? What is your one advice that you would give?
See, the moment you step into college is when you become an adult,
Yeah.
right? So, establish your relationship with money as soon as possible,
Oh, wow. Okay.
right? Because I see a
Love
lot
it.
of college kids going, and because when we were in college, they don't do anything till, okay, management is 3 years, engineering is 4 years. They don't do any internships in the middle.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Right. So do more of work. I mean, if you have to slog, do double shifts, maybe attend evening college, and work in the morning. Do it.
Yeah.
Because that's when you learn.
Yeah.
And don't do it for free.
Yeah, yeah.
I think one of your startups that
Yeah,
has
I was
come
just
on
gonna say.
Idea
So
Bars.
my last podcast was with Timbuktu.
Yeah.
And
so
they also
they have a great platform.
Yeah.
Do a gig, get paid for
Gig
it.
economy for
so
students.
you know, like, okay, now I have earned this money. How am I going to spend it? I'm going to invest in buying some stock or buy a watch for myself or
Yeah.
whatever it is. So establish a relationship very early.
Yeah.
Because हो गया school तक you can learn from books everything. College के बाद books is side by side, मतलब आप side by side कर सकते हो, but the world becomes your learning ground basically. आप
Yeah.
जितना बाहर से, like you just told me कि case studies तो पढ़ते solve करते, पर जो ground reality में solve करना होता है, which is totally different. So you get that experience right from like say 18 years, 19 years तब से.
Yeah.
हमारे इंडिया में वही होता है कि 21 के बाद ही जॉब लेते हैं या इंटर्नशिप्स आते हैं या उसके बाद भी MBA करते हैं कि पढ़ते ही रहते हैं 23 तक, देन दे स्टार्ट वर्किंग. सो एस्टैब्लिश दैट रिलेशनशिप विद मनी एज सून एज पॉसिबल कि सीखने को बहुत मिलेगा आपको भी बाहर.
Wow. I think. Go on.
हाँ, एंड दूसरा तो एज मयंक सेड, अगर आप 100% किसी चीज़ में नहीं दोगे
Yeah.
तो देन इट्स ऑफ नो पॉइंट. यू जस्ट कैन नॉट बी लाइक अरे मैंने ट्राई किया था यार और चला गया.
Yeah.
मतलब अगर आप ये करना चाहते तो सुबह शाम वही करो. दर्द हो रहा है करो, बुखार है जाओ. शोइंग अप, जिम में भी बोलते हैं ना कि इफ़ यू वांट टू लाइक अचीव समथिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेट रिडक्शन और मसल बिल्डिंग, ये शो अप डेली.
Yeah.
इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी कि एक दिन में बदल जाएगा. वो कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करना चाहिए, 100% देना चाहिए.
And I can't emphasize enough on how important it is to just show up. Actually,
Yeah.
it is just, I mean, I think most of my problems get solved just by being there. Right? I think, yeah.
Like,
Very
Yeah.
powerful.
It's such
In
a
our journey
simple thing,
also.
yet it's very difficult sometimes, you know, to show up. No, amazing. So on that amazing note, it's a very high note to end on, and I think that these are very unique point of views that are not generic, but these are very, very tangible, and especially the relationship with money part. A lot of youngsters need to understand the power of investing, and then how that also helps build their initial capital so that they don't have to dilute a lot of stake going forward, right? I mean, I am in the private banking space, and the power of compounding is insane. Like a 26% would give you like a 10x in 10 years, 100x in 20 years, and 1000x in 30 years. ये जो exponential curve होता है ना, it's not just for investing, but it's actually you're using that to build your business.
You're creating
So-
wealth for yourself as well.
So working early, investing early, building that corpus to be able to then be stable on, like building that bedrock and a foundation is so important. So thank you so much for coming here, Mayank and Karan. It's been one heck of a ride and an amazing conversation. The pleasure is all mine and ours, like I said. So these were the founders of Clevo, which is a testament that says that a simple idea can also change your entire life. And thank you for staying tuned with us. And see you again next time. Remember, this is the Idea Buzz podcast. This is the voice of India's dreamers. I am your host, Pooja Nerurkar, and I'll see you again next time. Till then, like, share, subscribe as always.